Hey, I'm Alex. I'm the one you talked to. We're just waiting for everyone to start right now, okay? To come in. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, we're just can we just hang out? We're waiting for everyone to join, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so just give it a minute, all right? All right, I'll take you a minute. Okay, thank you. Hi, Ben. How's it going? Sorry, I just woke up. Can you see me? Hang on real quick. I'm the one you've been talking to. Hi. We're just waiting for everyone to join, okay? So just giving them like 5 minutes. All right. Yeah, I can't hear you, Ben. I can't hear you.
Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hello. Cool. You're going to meet Rosh tonight. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Cool. So let's just hang out then. You can stop your. You know how to use Zoom? Are you familiar with Zoom? Do you know how to use Zoom? Like, do you know how to use it? Like,
Yeah, I already did use Zoom.
okay, cool. So then just your English is good. It sounds good. You're fine. Don't worry about it. You were worried earlier, but it's cool. They're joining right now.
I worry about my understanding when you speak fast.
I know I speak really fast. All the other guys, they're just like they had to catch up too. But yeah, so let's just give it 5 more minutes and everyone's gonna be in the meeting, okay? All right. All right.
Okay. So Alex, can you please just check the website that I shared with you on Upwork?
Shared what? What'd you share?
I
Here, can you
shared
share your
my
screen? I'm gonna share your
website.
screen. Here, anyone can share their screen if they want right now, by the way. So if anyone wants to share their screen, go ahead.
Okay, I can.
All right.
Hello?
Yes.
Hey T.
It's
Is
not
this
Reed,
Tyron? Is this Tyron?
Rush.
Oh hey Rush. Oh Rush. Meet Ben. Rush.
Yeah.
Rush. Can you want under your
Go ahead.
screen? You can see something. Ben, you don't have to yeah, you don't have to show your you don't have to be on video if you don't want, by the way. It's okay. You don't have to. All right. You guys go to meet
Oh,
introduce each other. You
hi,
guys
Ben.
talk. Okay, I'll be
Hello, Ben. How are you?
Hello, Russian Jose.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. No issues over here. Like, we wanted a front-end designer.
Okay.
So, like, what we were up to is I am a backend developer, so I have everything ready. The backend part is done. So I thought our Webflow, we design actually in Webflow. We make our websites in Webflow, in case you heard of it. Have you heard of Webflow?
Ross, share your screen. Can you share your screen and show Ben like what we do, please? like on Webflow, like seeing what Webflow is? Wait, Ben.
Like
so-
I don't have the Webflow thing. It's with
You
Hey,
don't-
hey
Tarun,
guys.
Tarun. Yeah, Tarun's here.
Hey,
Tarun,
T, can you show Ben what we mean by Webflow? What we mean by that?
like, yeah, he doesn't know.
Like,
Can you-
hi Ben.
Hi Ben, this is
Yeah,
Tyron.
I can share my screen.
Okay, cool.
Hi Ben. This is
Hi.
Tarun. So how are
Oh,
you?
and guys,
Tyron.
this is Abdullah. Sorry, how did I pronounce your name?
Ahad. Abdullah Ahad.
Abdullah Had. Okay, he's gonna be helping us because okay, this is what's going on. So we have Ben
Yeah.
who's Ben's gonna be like our pupil. He's like learning with us. So
Okay.
Ben's but
Okay.
then we need you, Abdullah. We need you to do Abdullah. Am I saying that right? Abdullah.
You can call me Ahad.
Okay, perfect. Ab. Okay, perfect. So we need you for like a good however long my boys need you to help with the front and back end. You're full stack, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
cool.
have developed near about 20 to 30 websites on a Webflow. I have shared the website link with you on Upwork. So
Okay,
if you
cool.
can check.
It's not gonna be
if
up to
you
me.
want
It's not. I'm just kind of like the somewhat of like a shitty boss, but it's not really me. It's gonna be the guys are gonna
Okay, then.
decide. The guys are gonna
Okay.
decide if they want you or not. So not me. So
Okay,
they're
if you want me to show my screen and show the website that I have developed, that would be perfect. They
Yeah,
Alright,
should
cool.
sure,
have
man.
an
You
idea.
can, you can.
yeah, that actually makes sense. Let's do that first, Ben. We'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, just kind of listen, I guess, follow along. You know, just whatever. Okay, all right.
Yeah, you can
So-
share your screen, man.
Can you see?
Yeah, can
Yeah.
see it's loading.
So this was
Nice,
simple website.
interactive. It's okay. It's good. Nice. Okay, so you guys, so like that's
Yeah,
nice, very nice,
that-
very nice.
yeah, this was developed on Webflow.
Did you come up with that on your own, or do you have a team, or?
I have a team.
Okay, but we don't. Okay, but I'm gonna make this very clear. I've noticed that in this field, people are always like my team, but like we don't. We already have a team. You know what I mean? So we just need you. We
Yeah,
don't need.
but
Yeah, we don't need a
I-
team. Okay, cool. Just making sure that's out of the.
Yeah, I can understand that.
T. Rosh, what do you guys think?
So
The
nice.
He-
first
he-
website,
yeah,
the
he-
first website blew my mind, dude. It literally blew my mind.
The way the text appears, that's nice. Actually.
Yeah,
I mean,
it took time.
The wobbly.
yeah,
and
I think your first website was pretty close to what Apple was trying to do, and man, you nailed it, dude. Awesome.
Man, Apple is Apple. We can't compare that. We can
Dude,
try, but
no, the
they
first
are
one was
something
different.
else.
It's actually nice. It's actually nice.
There are lots of websites I can show you. Indeed.
Okay,
Hey Aditya,
video.
are you in the meeting?
Yeah. Hello. Hi, guys.
Hi,
Uh,
Aditya.
everyone's here. Everyone's here.
No, Ashish. I called Ashish. He's
Mark,
gonna be joining
He's
in
here.
probably
He's
10
here.
minutes.
He's here.
Oh,
he's
Ashish
here.
is here. No,
Hey,
I don't
Tarun.
think
Yeah,
so.
I just came here.
Ash likes to creep
How-
first, and then he likes to show up later.
How the heck do you creep up, dude?
I heard
I don't
you,
want to
I heard.
ruin the. Okay. Yeah, same. Even I didn't
Hey,
want to
guys.
talk.
Hey
This
Ben,
is
this is
on-
Ben, this is Ash,
Right.
this is Addy, Tyron, Rosh. This is like the main team. I don't know where Max is. I guess he's in. Max?
Are
Uh,
they from India?
Ben
I
wants
think
to learn. Yeah, Ben wants to learn. He wants to help us. The guy with the headphones on. He's from France. Is it France?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool. And then
I
and then
can-
and then as far as Ab right here at the top, he's showing us his work. Pretty much as long as you guys need him, let me know and we're gonna hire
Portfolio.
him. He's showing us his portfolio right here. Ab is right here. The guy at the top. This is what we're seeing right now. So pretty
So
much
all of these are his websites. Like he does.
he did these websites. He did these.
Oh,
Yes.
oh my God, that's nice.
These are
Yeah.
just
It's
on
on
Webflow.
Webflow, right?
I have, yeah, exactly. These all are on Webflow. I have developed on WordPress, Shopify, custom. So whatever you need.
Yeah, well, yeah, exactly. We have a team already, but we'll just need you to help pretty much with whatever my backend needs and whatever my front end needs. Just whatever they need, just you're gonna help them with it pretty much. You're gonna kind of just be like the helper, except for like however many hours we need you. Is that cool? But like I said, that's not up to me though. That's up to them if they want to hire you or not. Okay, so that's what we're gonna. I'll be right back, guys.
So
by the way, okay?
okay. So, how long have you been into this web development?
Overall. Oh, you are asking specifically about Webflow.
Yeah.
Specifically about Webflow or overall? I'm asking.
Overall.
Overall.
Near about 6 to 7 years, probably.
Damn.
Yeah, nice.
Nice, dude. Okay.
And what about you,
Ashish?
Roshan, Tadun, and I
Yeah.
don't know. I think this is Aditya. So you
No,
are
I'm in
a
marketing.
developer.
Ashish, Tarun, and Roshan are the front end and back end.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Abdul. Abdul, are you specializing in front end or back end or both?
Both.
What is your both?
Both. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Nice.
seeing
Okay.
also the backend and front end. And
Okay.
here
And do you use like pre-made templates or do you build them from scratch,
No.
Abdul?
It depends upon the client. Like if client is forcing me to use template, then I have to go on template and I
Understood.
have to use that.
Okay. Okay.
But
So you
but I
implement them, right?
but mostly I prefer on custom design and custom things.
Okay.
So, avoiding templates.
Ashish, did you look into that first example he showed?
I'm not sure if I saw the first
Okay,
example.
I think he came. popped up.
Ashish, it blew my mind.
You should
Ashish.
have seen.
Okay,
Really?
let,
Okay.
let me. Okay,
Can you
me
share that
The,
again?
the first
Yeah.
one.
The first one.
No, refresh it. So from the start.
Okay.
Let's just look at this one.
Oh,
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. All those tabs are driving me crazy up there though. Oh my god, all those tabs at the top. Nice. Very nice. Very
yeah.
nice. Very cool.
Oh, okay. It's very simple, but it's super effective. It's working.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I like it for that site, not our site, but I like it for someone else's site. Does it make any sense?
I'm
Yeah,
in
that
the
makes
simple
sense.
side, so I prefer the simple designs and simple themes, if you can say.
Simple
Okay,
teams.
try to
Well,
simple.
good luck. I was getting a simple team because that's not gonna happen. Just kidding. Just kidding.
No, simple theme I asked.
Oh, hey, do you guys want to show them? Well, you know what? I'm telling you, sometimes it's good to have a team that's crazy. It's good. So, do you guys want to show them like what our site so far, like what we do, and introduce ourselves, maybe, or?
Yeah.
Let's send him a link.
So-
Actually, no one share your screen. It's gonna.
Lag.
So- Okay, so Ben, can you introduce yourself?
I'm French. My mic is on.
Yeah.
I'm French. I'm 24. I began to dev 4 months ago,
Nice.
Okay.
and
Nice.
I have a background in literature, so I went to college to study antiquity, so Latin and ancient Greek. It's
Wow.
something else, and I didn't I couldn't become a teacher, so I changed my way, and I began to make programmation, to think about programmation last year. And so now I'm studying. I learned the basics, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and now I'm heading to learn PHP, and I want to learn Symfony. Because
What made you want to get into web design or web development? What made you like want to learn that all of a sudden?
I'm not in design. I'm in development.
Development. Okay, what made you want to do web specifically?
Because when I was searching for something to do last year, someone just put me to no code games like AlgoBlocks. I don't know if you know that. Like what's the name? You know, these softwares to code with squares. You get to move with your mouse.
Drag and drop.
To
Drag and drop.
drag and drop, and to
WordPress.
put together to code,
Wix.
and
Wix.
not
Yes,
writing
exactly.
writing codes. And so I discovered coding this way, and that's what I liked with programming.
Okay.
Well, they're gonna teach you not how to. They're gonna teach you more than that though. They're gonna teach you like code and stuff. I know if that's what you want to do though, Ben. Like, listen, if you I saw you on Discord. I thought we could help you out. If you don't want to do it, anytime, just let us know. But I mean, if you're interested, we do this every day, and it's one of those things that you might end up really liking it. Who knows? You want to show them your website, your portfolio, what you've done so far?
Yeah, Ben, can you show us that?
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Guys, he's been doing this for 4 months. Okay, so just
We will consider that.
I know I'm bad.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Go down to share screen. At the
No,
bottom.
yeah,
Yeah,
don't be
people
hard on
learn
yourself,
from-
Ben.
See where it says share screen at the bottom? Hit share screen and then yeah, share your screen.
Écran partagé.
It
share
shows the
screen.
progress.
Ah. Partager. Ah oui.
See where it says share screen with the green at the bottom?
Share.
There you go. Perfect. Okay. Yep. There you go. Now we can see your screen. Okay,
So
cool.
where am I? So I'm on Chrome now. Okay. So do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. So this is my CV. It's the first time I did on a site because I first did my site to have an online CV because I didn't want to send a PDF to people I wanted
Yeah.
to work with.
Yes.
Good idea.
I was ashamed of sending PDF. I find it ridiculous. So I
Ashamed.
wanted to,
I love that.
I wanted to have my CV online. So I did that first. So I learned to put it something online. And this is just a bootstrap
Okay.
thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a CV. So nothing really
Yeah,
interesting.
that's good. No, that's fine. That's good. That's good. What do you know so far? Like, what would you say that you can do like right now if like a front end was to take you and like ask you to do something?
And so I did that. And so, for example, I did. Oh, can I put this away?
Man, can I recommend?
s-
That picture is just. Oh, I like your idea of the picture, but I just.
So, for example, I
What's
did
that
that.
thing? What is that thing? You made that?
Yeah, this is nice.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah, this is
Following
actually-
a tutorial, but I understand. what I'm doing.
Nice. Very cool.
Yeah, this is nice.
Very cool. Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you didn't check his site. Like, I was playing this the whole time.
This is using JavaScript and Canvas.
What do you guys think? Have you ever heard of Figma before? You're gonna be using Figma. Well, you don't like design, huh? The design part, you just like the coding part, really.
I wouldn't say I don't like that. I just never.
Because you're
never
from
did
France.
design.
You're from France.
Yeah.
You just have to like design and stuff. I mean, like I don't know. I'm just saying. That's up to you guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
I'm from France. I must like revolution and I don't know.
Just because I'm sure that Ab has other things to do right now. Maybe how do you guys want to handle that? Do you guys want to just? Sorry, we're not trying to. Let's see. Do you guys have any
Okay.
questions for Ab? Like what we're gonna be doing, or like what he's gonna be doing? Because I'm not even sure what he's gonna be doing. So you guys wanna-
I want to tell you like what we are using for our website. So for the front end, like we have Tarun, how many 4 to 5 static sites? We didn't decide on one page yet. So we have 4 to 5 static sites. So we are using Webflow for that. And on the back end, I am using something called Nest.js because we were planning on building an app. So I was thinking of a REST API so that we can use it from the app and also from the website. So
Okay.
and I don't know if Webflow has a feature to like add like a connect to a REST API in the background. I don't know if Webflow has. So what I was thinking is like I know React, so I am thinking of doing the login, the sign up, and the main after you log in, you'll see a bunch of dashboard pages, the chat pages using WebSockets and stuff. I was thinking of doing those in React. So just wanted to let you know like what we're using.
Okay. I think we can also explain what's the process that's happened until now and what all we have done so far. I think we can explain that.
Are you there, Ab?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
Are you following so far?
Yeah. No, I'm just listening to
Okay.
every guide and what they are sharing with me.
All right, cool. Just making sure. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So, all right.
Yeah, one of us can share our screen and just explain what all has happened until now.
Tarun, are you doing it?
Can you share the screen with me?
You want me to do it or?
Yeah.
Or do you want me to do it?
Yeah, anything is fine, dude.
So what are we showing? Are we showing wireframes and
I think we can show from.
Start from wireframe.
Yeah, cool.
from the wireframe? Okay, cool. Hold on.
Yeah, wireframe.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen now. And here is Figma team made empty.
Yes, yes. Okay, Abdul. So this is our company. It's called Mad Empty. So okay, so our basic idea was to have um like a main homepage and then a bunch of static pages, so that
Okay.
yeah,
On
you know,
Webflow.
customers, yeah, on Webflow. So
Okay.
we were thinking of hosting it on another place instead of Webflow. So like we're in the talks of that as well. So yeah, so far what we've done is, let me just so far we just made the homepage. This is our homepage so far, and
I just
I'll send you.
I checked the same link she has shared with me.
Yeah. So you saw the link, right?
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah, I
fairly
saw.
simple. It's not cluttered. It gives the main essence of our website. So if you scroll, there's a loading animation on the left, and then you have like huge text on the
Too
right.
much space, spacing a lot.
Yeah.
So
You're
we
right.
can decrease. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have that. So we have like a wrapper, we have a container, we have everything to make it, you know, neat so far. So it's working pretty good so far. So we have like a few nav points.
Yeah,
So
that still needs to be.
yeah, I mean, all these things are still like, they still need to be updated. And we also have a features page, we have a content page, we have many different pages in the works. So we have like a features layout where we still haven't, you know, like formatted it much, but we
That's
will be
not the
doing
one. Ashish, features.
Which one
the
is it?
below one.
Oh yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And see, we have contact us, we have the portfolio, we have our pricing, we have all that stuff. So we have many different ideas for pricing and different ideas for portfolio. So, you know, if you look at the portfolio side, we kind of have like a live preview idea where,
Ashish,
yeah,
no portfolio, right?
I know. Yeah, there's not going to be
This side,
portfolio.
just
Yeah, so we have like ideas such as live previews and everything. So we still like in talks between that, Abdul. We haven't like finalized what we're doing.
So we're gonna put on Weebly, or not Weebly, what's it called?
Dribble.
Dribble. No?
What about it, Alex?
So we're gonna put it on Dribble, no? No?
Templates, we can put out our templates on that. Yeah. But
Yeah, we could. Yeah, that's
that's
also a good idea. So like, yeah. So we're thinking of doing that, and we also have like wireframes to show our general design. So you know, we have a basic layout of who we are and everything, and we have like sub pages, and then we have like contacts. So we have a basic idea of what we want. Okay, so we have this general outline, and we have we have like a fairly good idea of what we want, and we're working towards that right now. But we still have a lot of things to plan and agree upon. We have like an app coming up that we think is going to be integrated to the website, you know, through the same API, like what Roshan was explaining right now. So we have like a basic design set up here for the login page or whatever. And yeah, and I think if you've gone through the link, you kind of understand our style and our aesthetic. It's we have two main colors, and then we have like one font primarily, and
That is blending. That should be.
Sorry?
I can understand. This is called blending, and it's we have to focus on blending too.
Yeah, on branding. Yes, you're right. So we have our own style.
Blending, yeah.
So yeah. So I mean, on Dribble, we just have a bunch of collections stored for our inspiration. That's not a big thing. Okay. And what else, Tarun? What else do we have to show him?
Like, what's he going to be working on?
Focuses on app.
Sorry?
What's he going to be working on? Like, what's his assignment going to be, do you think?
Okay, yeah.
So, work,
which work?
So Abdul, are you going to be doing the designing part or the development part?
Yeah, what do you like specialize in? What do you think?
What if I say I am specializes in both? I can design, I can develop. So I can do anything. I'm diversified.
All right, okay.
You want
Okay,
to see my design so I can show you my Figma portfolio?
No.
first,
We've
so you
we've
can-
seen your portfolio. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. So we're just thinking about how you're gonna be. If you're gonna be part of
Okay.
his, where would you?
Ashish,
Yeah.
What about what
Ashish,
Max
I-
was doing? Where's Max at? He's not around anymore. Like, what was he supposed to be doing with you, Ash?
He is around. He's just waiting for like
I haven't talked to him.
for
in,
us to continue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
Raj, you need help, right? Raj, did you need help? That right? You said Raj and I already talked about this. I promised him I'd bring on someone for like 3 hours for him to help him too.
Yep.
okay, cool. So
Okay.
Max is our backend developer. He has knowledge in CSS and everything. I am primarily a motion graphics designer, like basically a designer, Abdul. So you saw the Lottie animation in the webpage that was entirely done in After Effects. So I'm like the design part of the team. Me, Tarun, right? We have like this design thing here going on. So if you could help us to implement design in a more organized way. Yeah, on Webflow, like a more organized way. Like, for example, if you take our homepage, we may have an idea, but we may sometimes not put these things in order. You know, like there'll be a horizontal scroll bar problem or things like that. You know, so like maybe you could implement it in a more
So, do you have
responsive.
do you have this design on Figma?
Yes, I do.
Can you show me that
So-
once?
Yeah. So this exact design, I just made the homepage. I didn't make the.
Yeah, I can
sorry, I
understand.
made the
Yeah.
hero. I didn't make the rest of it. So this is entirely done in Figma. So including the gradients and everything. This was done in Figma, and this is what it turned out to be
Okay.
on Webflow.
So this is just the hero section, and you haven't designed the whole website.
I mean, the whole thing is pretty straightforward. You know, you have like text on
the
the left, right. Yeah,
Yeah.
and then,
the content
pretty
ready on
straightforward.
Figma.
yeah, the
Ashish.
content's also ready on Figma. Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
Where is it? Which place did you put it on?
There should be one. It just has all of the pages on it.
Ashish, and by the way, you had put your animations in, right?
Which animation? The one that's
Lottie.
running.
The Lottie.
Yeah.
Whatever. Like when me and like mornings, like I simply checked out and like I could see the one where it changes to black and stuff. The basic layout.
Yeah.
Is it the same project now? Like I don't.
Yeah. It's the
Yeah,
same.
yeah, it's the same project.
You can view it only on preview mode. It doesn't work on just like
Okay.
Oh, in
this is
Webflow.
actual
yeah in Webflow.
content.
Okay, hey, Abdul. So
sorry,
Tarun
right.
here is our content writer. Like he creates the content here. So this is a very good example of what our, we want our webpage to be. Of course, with added design and our branding aesthetic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you look, he's even like added the pricing, a rough pricing model here.
This
Like a
is the
form.
website.
This is a contact us. This is a portfolio. If you're doing it, it's
Okay.
all
Okay,
like
so
we're still thinking about it. And we
Yeah,
have our
Abdul.
features.
So yeah, Abdul asked about pricing. So the thing is, we work like the client should get into this page. They have to schedule a meeting. We get into a Zoom meeting or whatever platform, and then they talk to us. They
Basically, a
talk about what they
consultation
actually
first.
need. Yeah. So pricing, we name it pricing because if we just name it contact us, the people aren't gonna like click on it. If we name it pricing, people are actually gonna get into it, right? So yeah, that was the plan behind it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Abdul. So we have like everything set up here. The way it's gonna be like design and the text, and we should just apply our colors and our branding, our fonts.
Yeah.
Yep.
So Ashish, I was thinking about this. What if? So see, yesterday we decided on you, me, Roshan making the login, register, chat, and those user-related pages, right, for the site.
Yeah.
What if Abdul gets into features, the website section?
Yeah. You mean all these? The one here.
Yeah. What if we take?
Oh
the
yeah.
user
You mean the content? Yeah. That makes sense. That's a good idea. Okay. So, Abdul, another thing is that we first wanted to start with the app, but then we realized that we should finish the website first, because that was really important. So what we decided to do is whatever was on the app, like the dashboard, the login, the register pages, we thought of making that on the website first. So depending on how the design is going to be on the website, we would recreate the app following that. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing right now. So we need to finish the login pages. We need to finish the dashboard for the customers.
Do you have any similar website to what you are
Similar
going
website? No, not really.
Nope.
But we do have like
Inspirations.
a
No, I'm not
collection.
talking about the design collection, but I'm talking about the features or maybe the like.
Oh,
any
okay.
Well, like the
website that you like.
features. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think we have like a few. Tarun, do you remember?
Oh, Ashish.
Like it would help me to know that what kind of work
Because
we're doing.
yeah, so while making the features page, Aditya was with me, and we didn't go through any example pages. We just laid it out just like that. Whatever came in our mind, we just laid it out.
Yeah, that's true. But Abdul, you know what? We can actually create a Figma wireframe for you to understand. Yeah, and then we can explain it to you. We can make a well-detailed wireframe and explain it to you afterwards, if that's fine.
Will that work for you? Abdul, will that work for you?
Can you repeat please? I didn't get you.
Sorry, can you hear me, Abdul?
Yes, I can hear you now. Can you repeat, please?
Yeah. So I was talking about you wanted a concept idea, right? Like another website that's already done this. So
Yes.
we basically brainstormed the idea and we kind of came up with our own with other website inspirations, but it's not directly really it's not a direct replica of another website. So
Okay.
we can't really show you another website because we mixed up ideas and we kind of thought about it a lot.
Yeah, I got that.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a wireframe for you, so that you can kind of understand what we're trying to go for, and we can explain that to you if that's fine.
Yeah, it's totally fine.
Okay.
Yeah, cool, awesome.
So Abdul, where are you from?
Yeah,
Pakistan, Karachi.
Oh, it's nice. That's nice. Okay.
How's the weather over there?
It's too hot. Yeah, it's too hot.
Yeah.
Ashish, I wanted to ask
Yes.
So you three are
Yeah, go on,
from
Abdul.
India?
Yeah, me, Aditya, Roshan, and Ashish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
Tarun.
So Ashish, what if we were talking? Okay. So what if for the desktop we can have the Lottie animation, and for the mobile version we can have the ball dropping thing?
Sure, we can try that. Oh yeah, okay. That's another thing we need to ask like a CSS and Webflow person. So Abdul, we have like this idea of.
Can you show him the video?
Probably. Okay. Okay, so Abdul, we had this idea. Okay, so this was our initial idea for the page, and this is completely made in After Effects. It's not a real website. So so we thought of having this one interactive element that will morph and cover over the main H1s, H2s, and stuff. Okay.
This is the animation.
Yeah, this is an animation.
Animation, yeah. It has to be on custom.
Yeah, it needs to be custom code because I don't know if I design it on like a video format or Lottie animation, it's going to work because the main idea for it is to morph around a heading. You see how it morphed around possibly the best design. And as soon as you're done, it should move around and go to the next heading here. So if I go back, it should go back to the main heading and to the next heading and then to another heading. You see that? Yeah, this is like a concept idea. So do you think you could help us out with this?
Not with this animation, especially. It's going to be too tough.
Yeah, it's gonna be too tough. But do you?
Yeah, it's time taking, and this is what accepted code like.
This is a separate
What's
code.
the name of, what's the name of someone who does web animation then? Like I've never been able to find the name yet. Yeah, I still can't Google it. I don't know how to Google
It's not
that.
web animation. It depends upon what kind of animation you need. Like there are just if you listen, and
Okay, what kind of
Oh.
animation is this then?
it's custom animation.
Yeah, what's
Like
the person called,
Webflow
though?
doesn't allow. Webflow doesn't allow to use these kind of animations, and
Okay, give
we
me
have to
1
put a
minute.
separate. We have to put a separate code on this. This is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, we don't even need
Okay.
Webflow. I was thinking we really don't, do we?
Yeah. So this is a separate code we have to implement in that website to use. this
Alex,
kind
we
of-
do need Webflow. We do need Webflow for now.
He means
All
it for the animation.
No,
Abdul
yeah.
means it for animation.
Abdul means for the animation. He doesn't mean in general because we do need Webflow in general.
How do we
if that's
find
what you're saying.
someone that specializes in Webflow, that specializes in web animation to help us like for a few
I
hours?
don't know. So Abdul, if you're gonna be doing that, are you gonna use CSS or is there something else you need to know
for this animation?
for this animation? Yeah.
Or JavaScript or
Or
is
what
it?
do you need to know?
I'm not sure that I can do this animation.
No, we're asking what kind of person would you say that could? Like what kind of, we're not saying that you still can't help us, but we're just trying to find out like I've been trying to Google what kind of person specializes in this. I mean, there has to be somebody that specializes in web development animation.
Yeah,
have a word for it?
It's another language used for animations. Like if you've seen the website for the airports or Apple, so they have used the animation in their hero section for the black color.
So would it be UI? Would it be a UI designer?
No, UI designer can't help you with this animation.
So okay, what's the name, guys? Can you guys help me out? What's the name? What's the name?
Web graphic designer. I think it's called web graphic designer.
Web graphic
No.
designer? No, it needs an animator.
Graphic designer cannot help you with this animation.
Well, damn, Ash, you could get good at this and specialize in that. Make tons of like fuck. It looks like it's a rare kind. Like, what I'm saying.
So
This kind of animation.
It's hard. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. This is what I wanted us to specialize in was this kind of animation and stuff. What is the freaking name of it called? What is the name? I know there's a name of it. Web animator. Ben, you look smart. Ben, where are you? Do you think you can figure this out? Can you figure out who would be someone that we could find that would? What's the name of someone who does animation on web for websites? Website animator, right?
I guess a creative designer.
Ooh, creative designer, maybe. No.
Nice.
Ooh, that's
It's an
nice.
animation.
Yeah.
That's your name.
Because for example, in France, we have Aristide Briand, Aristide Benoit, who has been independent developer of the year 2 times at the awards.
Oh, cool. The AWWW awards?
Hello?
What?
The AWWW awards? Sorry, go ahead, sorry. The AWWW. I'm obsessed with the AWWW awards.
There's a website.
It's written Aristide
Hello.
Benoit. Like
Yeah,
this.
can you hear?
Oh, who?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
So this kind of animation is done on GSEP. It's a
What?
separate code. GSEP. Yeah, it's a separate language used for animations.
Greenstock. Yeah,
Yeah,
Greenstock
GSEP.
animation platform.
Ash, would you be interested in learning that?
It's a JavaScript library, so you'll have to know JavaScript.
Dude, I didn't
Yeah, probably. I
GSEP.
could do, but let's see.
Somehow different from JavaScript or maybe typical, you can say. But it's
Can
a
someone
bit
spell that out
different.
loud? Can Rush, can
Like
you
I
spell that
know
for me?
GSAP, like it's GSAP, it's Greenstock animation platform or something. Like, but it's actually like Ashish, you know,
Yeah.
right? In After Effects, you have timelines. So GSAP
Yeah.
has timelines, and you will have to connect these timelines to different components in the HTML.
Yes,
Oh, but you could
document.
learn that then. That would be easier for you to learn then. That's great. So
Yeah,
that's what
but
you're used to.
but it will take time. I'm telling you that this is
Of
not
course,
that.
of course.
simple-
Ash,
simple
they learn stuff
simple.
very, very, very smart. They're very smart. They can learn things
Yeah.
very quickly. Rush, how do you spell it? Let's see. Addy, I mean, freaking-
GSAP.
yeah,
GSAP.
Tyron learned web development in like 2 weeks. How do you?
Thanks, dude.
But the thing about like Webflow versus what's that called again? What are you talking about?
Greenstock.
Yeah, it's that it's not GUI, right?
No,
Roshan?
no, it's
No.
pure code,
It's
pure
pure code. So
JavaScript,
the reason
JavaScript.
why me and Tarun and all we kind of grasp web so fast is because it's GUI. So like it's graphic interface, so that we click on buttons and things happen.
It's just no code platform.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. So yeah. So this will take a while, but if we can do it, then sure. I guess we can look into it.
Hey, dude,
Also,
even I
Abdul.
wanted to learn. Yeah. Sorry.
Ooh. Also,
Okay, go
Abdul,
ahead.
can you talk about your backend experience?
Like
Abdul?
experience. What do you want to know about that?
Like, what have
Roshan,
you
go on.
used in? Like, what have you used and stuff? Like, backend. Like, any backend experience?
Abdul, you're on mute.
Abdul,
Check
you're
this
on
out.
mute.
Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out right now. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Which one?
Look
Okay,
at
this
that.
one. This
that.
is WebGL. This is like 3D
It's
models.
Greenstock. This is what Ash would learn. This is like Ash's web development.
Hey, I
Hmm.
can get 3D and
Look how
No,
pretty.
you'll have to
Mm.
use WebGL, bro. WebGL is like a driver which connects to your directly to your graphic card.
yeah, yeah, it's true. But
That's
like,
bro, that's so complex stuff. And bro, if you want to learn GSAR, even call me, right? When I'll come, because I tried
Even
searching
me.
a lot of courses in this one, Udemy. I
hey,
didn't get
okay, you know what? I'll try doing that because I
It's a
can add
challenge.
3D
It's a
models
challenge
into
for Ash.
sites.
Ash wants a
Yeah.
challenge.
like Ash.
I've
and
also
the
seen
issue is-
tutorials on
and the-
Webflow
No,
for some reason.
like for
all,
GSAP,
all
the issue
these
is-
all these are why I thought I wanted to be front-end developer when I started.
I know,
So
right?
cool.
Saying this is like,
Yeah, these
ooh.
are so cool.
When
Yeah,
I find
these are
out about
nice.
creative design, I found it so cool. And there are some creative design in real website when, for
Huh.
example, when you
I
go
like
to
search for
the Apple site,
Greenstock animator.
site of Apple, there is
That's what we want though,
rendering
right?
kind of effect
If you
Yeah,
can write
Yeah.
yeah,
GSAP,
Ben.
with
you
the
can find
Yeah,
MacBook
Ben.
with
I'm thinking
Yeah,
about
options
finding
when you
someone. I'm
scroll.
thinking about finding someone to help teach Ash just personally.
There's
Hey,
courses on
no,
Udemy.
I don't think that's needed, Alex. I can
Like
find a
we
way.
can find out in
We can find a
YouTube
way.
or Google. Yeah,
And
there
hopefully
are
just-
text-based articles, bro, to learn, like the documentation.
I
and
know,
some
but that's a
people
lot
write
for him to have to
articles.
learn for us to get our website going. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
there are tutorials.
There's
No,
Udemy courses also.
Udemy
But
courses,
yeah, I
there
mean-
are- like I tried searching, I didn't get them, like long back.
I
back
got
in
it.
the-
I got like I'm pretty
I
good
got it,
ratings
yeah.
also.
Oh, I got
What are we talking about?
GSAP.
GSAP. Okay.
It's actually good, dude. It's helpful.
GSAP. I said, did I put Greenstock? Oh my god.
The same thing, dude. It's the same thing.
GSAP. Yeah, the same thing. Just a full.
It's the same thing.
You can go there, for example, front-end masters course.
Okay. They have one. Front-end
I posted it in the chat.
Okay. Okay,
There is
you sent it to me, but it's
Yeah.
a DM. Like click on the arrow mark over there above the chat and select everyone, and then paste it. Then everyone will see it. Okay, yeah, dude. There's WebGL. There's
Okay, you have to install GSAP. GSAP 3.
yeah, it's a JavaScript library. You can't install it without npm or something.
Can you send the link, Ash?
Roshan.
In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the GSAP object and give you a visual, is what we refer to as.
Guys, we can do this later. Sorry. Ab, do you guys have any more questions for him? I'm sure he has other things to do. Or,
Like I want to know, like
Yeah, backend.
How can he help?
I know Laravel, I know PHP, and I have developed few websites on using those languages.
Okay.
Like, everything takes time, so if you're rushing to learn or to do both things at a time, so you can't. You have to give some time to a front end, and then if
No,
you
like
want,
different people are specifying different places.
Yeah, Roshan is
They're doing it
completely
parallel.
backend.
yeah, Roshan's
I did
backend.
do
Roshan's
backend.
backend. Yeah, are you
I did
comfortable
backend.
with working on Zoom while you're working?
yes, I can, but yes,
You are, but what? But
yeah, we can go through that.
All right, cool. That's what like, 'cause usually when we're on Zoom working, that's like the best way we come up with ideas together and stuff. So
Okay.
yeah. All right, cool. And you guys have any more questions for him or?
Roshan, Gone.
No, no, done. That's it.
That's it.
Just want to know like what he works on in the back end. That's nothing
Okay.
else.
Would you say, Roshan? Would you say to him? It's okay. Ab, how are you feeling about everything? What would you expect from us?
I want to know what kind of work you need from me. Like, do you want me to design? Do you want me to develop your website on Webflow, or something else?
You wouldn't be
Can you tell me your
your
strength?
Yeah,
What's your best thing?
Be a we, not you.
Yeah.
Like
I can
Abdul, what we
develop
mean is
something.
that would you
I
be
can.
comfortable designing it with us, or would you be comfortable developing it after we're done designing to optimize it, or how does that work for you? Would you work with a team, or would you work alone at the end, or like what is your workflow?
Can you give me a space to do it alone?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Yeah, I think that if you allow me to
Absolutely
do
not.
alone, that would be better.
No, absolutely not. No. We need someone who's a team player. It's not only
Yeah,
that, it's nothing personal, but it's just, I mean, if you could be playing video games for 10 hours and not even working, no offense or anything, but like if you can't work on Zoom with us, and I don't really see why you couldn't. I don't know what the difference is.
No, but he'll have a deadline. I mean, you'll have a timeline, right? Like
I want to pay him by the hour. I want to
you
pay him
could
by
have. Oh, okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'm paying him by the hour is what I'm trying to say. I mean, like that's what I'm trying to say. Why not work with us on Zoom and do it? I don't know what the difference is.
So
No
do you
problem.
think?
If you want me to turn on the Zoom and while working, I have no issue.
Yeah, I was
Okay.
thinking that you and Raj could work together is what I'm thinking, or whatever you're doing, because that's usually how we do it.
Okay.
We like to all do it together and like kind of give an ideas and
Okay.
like you like probably
So,
freelancing, right? And some
yeah,
people just
yeah.
like working alone and some
So
people don't like a team.
So it's basically that you okay. So I'm just asking you. So you want to be part of the process, or you want to be involved after the process to like give finishing touches and optimize it and for
you
responsiveness
can
and web?
you can just involve me in the process. No
Okay.
issue.
Okay.
So
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess he can be part of like the workflow,
Yeah.
like whenever
Just
we
because you could be doing something that we don't like, and then later we're like, we didn't say that, so we wanted. It's just better if you work with someone who knows like what we want.
No, I guess, yeah. I mean, I guess he's gonna work with someone, but like,
Very cool.
is he gonna be with us brainstorming, or is he gonna be with us like, there's different aspects to it, right? So
I
we
did
have
it
to
to help
see
you guys.
where.
I did it to help you guys to get stress off of your guys' shoulders. Like
That's
what I
true. I
did.
mean, thanks, Alex. But like, yeah, so like we gotta know how he's gonna help us.
I think as far as front end, I
Uh,
think we're gonna need probably someone that's doing GreenSock, I'm gonna assume. And so we'll hire someone for that, and then we'll hire Ab for a few hours to help Rosh take some pressure off or something. That's the whole point of this.
Okay. Yeah,
So just let
guess
me
you can.
know that how I can help you with the design, with the development. Just ping me anytime.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Roshan?
I really appreciate you
Yeah.
for being so polite.
Yeah, so if you are stuck in designing, I'm all here. So just share
You're very
with me.
talented, by the way, Ab. You're extremely talented. You're very talented.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Very nice job.
Thanks.
All right. Well, we will be needing you, I'm sure, very soon. Hey, wait, Rosh, was it? This is mostly.
Yep.
Could he help you in any way at all? Maybe start that, like at all, to help.
Like in the back end, like he knows only PHP, so we are using something different and it's already done. So
Oh.
Yeah, I think
What about
because
the
we
app?
use-
yeah, so app.
What about the app?
Do you have experience in app? Like Abdul?
no.
Right, yeah. So.
No, the
It's okay.
I
I
haven't
was like,
used
I'll manage it. Like he's there for the front end, right?
He's a full stack developer. He's full stack, so.
Like yeah, but he focuses on a different tech
There are
stack.
some languages.
Like every
I
full
don't
stack developer have a specific tech stack. So
What would you say your strength is, Ab? Like, if we could use you, like, what would you say your strength is you could bring to us then?
Yeah, no, like which's your best?
What do you enjoy
What is,
doing?
like-
What makes you happy? Pretty much. Like, what are you best at?
Like, are you a visual kind of a person or a coder? Like you like looking at text lines and just black and white text and working out, or do you like looking at
accidentally muted
visual
him.
stuff?
I accidentally muted him. Fuck.
What you muted?
I accidentally muted him. I don't know why.
Abdul, she muted you. Mistake.
Abdul, you're muted, dude.
Did every time when I was typing. So I am good at both designing as well as on development. So I can't compare myself.
What do you
I-
enjoy doing is what we're asking. We know you're good at
Yeah,
things.
what
What
do
do you enjoy
enjoy?
in your heart? Like, what do you like? What makes you
Designing.
happy?
Yeah, designing. If
Designing.
you
Designing.
yeah.
Okay.
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 I mean,
now,
that's pretty
Then-
obvious.
yeah, designing. Yeah, designing.
Yeah, we
Because
can't
for
wrote
me,
from his
So,
portfolio.
so I mean,
Especially-
okay. To be honest with this, then, Ab. Okay, here's a question. Be honest. Can you critique our website, designing wise? What would
Sorry?
you think? Yeah, of course, critique it. What do you think that we maybe could do differently or better, in your opinion, design wise?
like yeah, like when I check a website,
Shit. Oh,
Are
sorry.
you doing that, Alex? Oh, okay.
Alex. Hey, exactly.
What are you doing? Are you pressing mute or?
no, I
Alex.
don't.
No, like Alex.
Go
Okay,
on, Jake.
yeah,
Yeah,
go on,
Abdul,
go on, go on,
continue.
go on.
Having same
Yeah, go on.
problem like me.
Hey, can you repeat that, Abdul?
So when I check a website, there is too much spacing and it's not looking good at all.
Okay. You mean the paragraphs, the headings, the text?
Yeah, overall, like I told you on when you were checking the file on Figma,
Yeah.
I told you the same thing that you are using too much spacing.
Right. Too much white space.
Oh,
White space,
yeah,
right? Is that what
yeah,
you're talking about?
If we can design or decrease the spacing between the section, that would be good.
Okay.
Agree.
Okay.
So what we were thinking is like we were thinking of adding more content over there. So that's not
Yeah,
yet done.
that would work out. That would
Okay.
work.
Yeah, that makes sense, Abdul. Thank you for that insight.
Having blank space isn't good. So the people would go and
That's
they won't
true.
check.
Yeah, I agree.
I
Okay, so spacing and do you think like equal spacing between
And using low graphic plus would
Hey Ben,
be
if you want, here, I'll chat with you. Hang on.
Abdul, could you
so-
repeat that? Your voice broke.
I was saying that using the light colors, maybe
Yeah.
they would attract
Okay.
the people. Like it's too
light
colorful
colors,
right
you
now.
mean for the entire website, or what do you mean, Abdul?
Like your whole website is containing purple and blue.
Yeah, because that was the brand color, the purple
Brand
and the
color.
pink.
Same
Yeah.
color doesn't mean that you have to use on overall the website.
Doesn't that actually mean
Okay,
branding?
okay. So
If you are going to check Apple, if you are going to check Adidas, if you are going to check Nike, so
None
Yeah.
of them have a brand
have-
color, right?
yeah, they have brand color, but they haven't used in all the background, the whole background. They haven't used.
that's true. That's true. So what would you suggest we use?
I
Like,
would
do you think
suggest
we should go for
you
black and
should-
white or?
You should use like neat and clean design.
Okay. No, I mean I'm talking about color wise. What do you think about the colors? Do you think we should use different
Neat and
colors?
clean.
Or
Listen, we are neat and clean. What do you mean? Let's look, we're not going to be like every
Mm.
cookie cutter website out there. Like,
let's just hear him out. I
but
think
I'm going to
he
say
has
something
good
real quick. Let me
points.
say something real quick. You can go to Wix. and
Sure.
get that. You can go to Wix. Let's just be honest. If you want a clean, nice,
Oh.
boxy website, you can go to Wix and get it done. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
It's true.
Okay. That's true. That's true. I agree with you.
I
Okay.
think-
Abdul, what do you think color wise we should do for the website?
I love our colors. Whatever. I'm like, whatever. I love our colors.
All right.
Colors
Yeah. I mean,
and-
like,
What kind of
you're
brand
saying.
identity are you using?
Okay,
Depends
like
upon-
for example, we have a few colors here and there. So do you think we should add the colors, or we should keep it black and white, or plain and simple? What do you think?
The simple would be best, but you can
So
use your
simple
own
as
color.
in
like simple is in white
okay,
or cream background.
like that. Okay, okay, I get what you're saying. Okay,
Yes.
all right.
Ab, do you know what we do?
Like,
Do you know what kind of company we are real quick? Do you know what we even do for what we're even trying to do? Like what this is, what our company does?
No.
Okay, well, there you go. There's a big question. Okay. So here's the big answer to that one. We are a web design company. We design websites for people. All right. So that's what I'm trying to say. So if you're going to go on our website and you want us to build a website for you, do you think that we should just do maybe some simple black and white, simple basic things? I mean, would you really go to us, or would you go to all the other millions of other people who do that?
I would go simple and I won't use the colorful background in all the sections. I won't do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, then you don't,
That's-
then I think he thinks differently than us, and that's fine. That's good. But I don't think that you would be a good fit, to be honest with you.
No, I mean,
I just don't. I don't think
okay.
he's on our same level. I just don't. And I feel like you're
No,
gonna kind
I-
of mess up our workflow. I don't want him to mess up our work. There's so many other people. Ash, listen, he has a different idea of things. Ash, we're different. We're out of the box. You know what I mean? And I don't want him to mess up our workflow as far as him putting ideas. We're already deciding to make our site black and white now. All of a sudden, that's a big change. Like we've been sticking with this and we've all liked this and worked hard on it.
I'm not saying you to change. I'm just suggesting as Ashish
That's
asked.
true. No. Like, it's true, Alex.
Yeah,
It's
I
like
told
we,
you
we
that
we asked him for
yes,
critique,
yes.
and it's
yeah,
fine. It's all
he
right.
asked
Like
me.
his
So
his
it doesn't
opinions
mean that
are.
I'm
We asked
Yeah,
him for
he's-
critique because I want to see if he could work. But I mean, if you guys feel like it's your guys' choice at the end of the day. If you guys feel like you guys want him on there, that's fine. But if he's gonna
I mean,
design the
I'm pretty
website-
sure. So like, Alex. So I think Abdul makes good points with the whole colors and the segregation and like keeping it simple, which makes sense because, you know, if someone comes to your website, they don't want it to be super cluttered and they want to
Yeah,
feel
of course,
like
absolutely. But it
yeah.
does be
they need more breathing room. So that's
Creative.
what he was saying, and I think I agree with that for the most part. So it wasn't like something we wouldn't agree on.
Who
It
would
was
say
pretty
I want
good.
a cluttered website? I don't think many people are like, I want a cluttered
Exactly.
website.
Like,
Yeah, I mean, I
who
think
would say
everyone-
that, right?
this was the main point of me.
Huh?
Yeah,
This was the main point.
I don't understand what you're saying.
exactly. Like that's what Abdul was saying. Like that was the main point, not to keep it cluttered. Yeah, Abdul. I think it makes sense. I understand what you're saying. Okay.
That's all you have to say.
So
Do you have any other ideas? Maybe we could add to it just to just keep it not cluttered. Really, like that's it.
I mean, yeah. So far, what we've done.
But I mean,
Yes.
no, but that's what I'm trying to ask him. Do you have any other maybe like out of the box ideas besides don't make it cluttered? I mean, you're a designer. I know you have it in you. I can feel you have it in you. I know you do somewhere deep down in there. I know it's in there. Just bring it out. What would you do? Come on. I know it. Just besides it being not cluttered, think of something, let's pretend with animations as well. Like what would you do if you saw a website and it's interactive or something? Like what would you, not just basic boxy website, like what would you think, but still clean and basic, but also at the same time interactive? What would you do? Ab?
Okay. So just let me check your website again and
Okay.
I'm just opening.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. I know you have it in there. It's okay. It's okay. I know they've been training everyone to think out, like everything's clean, modern, but people need to think outside the box a little bit. It's
I see.
okay. You know?
When you used your color black in the background, I can't see the text.
Yes. Okay.
So do you think that it's a good fit?
The
You
text?
mean we are team mad empty? Is that what you're talking about?
No, I'm just asking that. I can't see the text that you've written in ready to step in.
What do you think? What did
I'm
you
not
want?
sure.
Yeah, just
Okay.
honest. He said, sorry, I'm not gonna interrupt Ash. Just don't be afraid to be honest with us. It's okay. Just be 100% honest. It's okay.
You have used the same footer according to background. So it has to be changed.
Oh yeah.
That's a good point. That is a very good point, actually. I cannot believe we didn't think about that. It's a good one. Okay, I'm writing this down. Okay, 1 point. Next one. I know it's there. I know you can feel it. I know it's there somewhere.
You haven't used the same buttons.
Oh,
like
Are you checking
same-
this link, Abdul?
Which link?
The one I have sent on the chat?
No.
Can you check that?
It's the one that says madmt.webflow.io/designs.
That might
Yes,
be
yes.
active. Yeah, that's same.
Oh, the
Same,
same one.
sir.
Okay, cool.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Never mind.
So wait, the buttons are different. Okay, yeah. Okay, moving on. It's fine.
Yeah,
What else?
Max was working on the buttons and then we had to come up with one. So we'll think about that later. About
Sure,
the
sure.
buttons.
That's a good input. Next, what else do you think?
Like spacing, I already told you.
True.
spacing. What would you put there? Like an interactive, like maybe like a vector animation or something?
Like if you are designers or if you're design website, then you have to show them.
Exactly. Yep. Exactly. So, and
I have these
Um,
kind of points right now.
you know the thing when you're scrolling, how badass is that though? Come on, you have to be like that thing is pretty cool, huh? Like
Yeah, that's pretty good. No doubt.
Ash did that. Well, everyone combined did that as well, but Ash did the
Oh,
thing from
This
scratch.
is a good thing.
Yeah, from scratch.
That is a good thing.
All right, guys. I think we
Alex,
need to.
Ben wants to leave.
Yeah, so I guess I can leave if you say so.
Sure, Ben. Sorry,
Yeah,
yeah,
sure.
you're great. Whenever you're ready, actually,
Mhm.
Rosh is gonna get with you later, whenever you guys want to talk. He wants you to start the Udemy class, if you want. Is that okay?
Hmm.
Like he sent me other links in French, so he says he can learn from French like better than
Okay,
English.
cool. Yeah,
d-
for sure,
Yeah.
French.
I checked
Cool.
it out and actually.
I,
Well,
I don't I
Yeah,
don't
dude.
know who I sent my messages to.
Rosh, what do you know? You're gonna talk to Rosh. Rosh, what do you what do you recommend he learns then right now? Like, what would you tell him to
Yeah,
start?
I told him, he sent
Okay,
me
cool.
the links.
Alright,
I
cool.
cross-checked it, so yeah.
All right, cool.
Carry on,
Okay,
man.
it was nice to meet you, Ben. Thank you.
See you
Bye.
later.
Bye. Ciao. What is it, ciao?
Hmm.
Wait, how do you say bye in French?
It's bonjour. Yeah.
Bonjour,
Bonjour
bonjour,
et
bonjour.
bonjour et au revoir.
Bonjour, au revoir.
It's a au revoir because revoir means
Oh my God.
see.
Yeah,
Revoir
how-
means see again.
Damn.
It's beautiful. I think that the
So-
French language is very beautiful.
Literally,
Yeah.
au revoir is at review, I guess.
After
Damn it. Okay, wait, is it am I right?
See you next review.
reading
Oh,
the-
yes.
Okay.
Bonjour, everyone.
Okay, yeah. Bonjour, bonjour. Thank you so much, Ben.
Everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you
No,
so
au
much, Ben.
revoir.
Bye,
Au
Ben.
revoir. Au revoir.
Bonjour is
Bonjour. Ben,
is hello.
we need to finish, but we need to wrap this up. Ben. So, but we will talk about it later. Later, I would love for you to teach me French. I really would. Okay.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, or what's it called? Bonjour. Okay, I'll see you. Okay, I'll see you later. See you later, Ben. Okay, now where we got, guys? Let's see. Okay,
Now,
what about the
so-
button?
Tarun, what the heck is it? They wanted to put it
thought I
on
was-
DM.
Okay,
German.
okay. Where were we?
Fine. Wait.
We were at the concentration camp. Just kidding. Go on.
So
Ooh.
Go on.
Boom. Concentration
Go on.
camp.
let me know when.
Holocaust.
And I'm like,
Go
I guess I'm like Hitler. Hey, so if you guys want, so if you want, how about this app? If you want to like a few hours, I will put you on for a few hours if you just want to come in and help out. And if they need to.
Yes, Abdul. Yeah. So you could help us clear out and arrange the spacing. You know what I mean? The layout of the text.
Yeah.
And we could see what you mean. Like, I kind of get what you're saying. I understand it's not like really organized, but as of now, because we still haven't finalized the content, so we didn't want to set up
Can you
the.
share me the Figma? Then I can design that on Figma, and you can, or maybe if you want, then I can implement that on Webflow.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
we can send you the content, content on Figma. We can share that to you.
Yeah, you can share with the content with me. Then I would design the homepage. Start
Yeah.
with that.
Okay.
Then we'll move forward to implement on Webflow
Cool.
Okay.
on your account if you are fine with that, or maybe I can
Sounds
use my
good.
account.
We need to
Sounds
set a
good,
day.
dude.
We need to set a scheduled day. Or no. Okay, never mind. So he's gonna work on Figma by himself, or what?
Yeah.
So
he's gonna work.
I will work on Figma so you can check the update and the.
No, that's not what it's about. I
What
trust
I-
you. That's not what it is. I just feel like it's better when more people are involved to kind of get like a creative, to put in like other opinions and stuff. But
Okay.
if that's how you guys
so-
want to do it, that's fine. That's fine with me. That's fine.
Okay, Abdul. So if we can share you the Figma file right now, how long would you take to like kind of give us a render, just a basic render of the homepage? What are you trying to do?
Oh yeah, T
What
can
if
hire
I
you, by the
try
way. I
to
forgot. Yeah, Tyler,
share
you can hire.
the homepage tomorrow?
By tomorrow. So usually we have this meeting around the
Yeah.
same time, Pakistani time. Yeah, it's the same as Indian, right?
Almost close, yeah.
Perfect. So
Yeah.
just shoot at the meeting then.
We usually have this meeting at around 3:30. Like you can join us tomorrow and then show us what you have done. Does that sound cool to
Yeah,
you?
so, Alex, can you send me the offer for designing the homepage? It will take around 5 to 6 hours.
5 to 6 hours.
Wait, so Abdul,
Mhm.
are you talking about redesigning or just organizing it?
No. Yeah. I
The
think
the
it's-
the existing.
I'm talking about the designing of the homepage.
No, we have
Like
designers.
like
we have
from
designers.
scratch? From scratch, Abdul, or would you use our existing made
To be honest for you, I feel bad that we wasted your
We'll
time
take the
tonight. I'm trying to help you
content
in
from
a few hours of a job. That's all.
Well, Alex, 1 minute, 1 second. Yeah, Abdul, tell me again.
I'm saying that I would take the content from that.
Oh, so you're
So-
gonna make it separately new, right? So what we're trying to say is that we'll give you, if we have to give you our existing homepage, would you arrange it instead of designing it from scratch? That's what we're asking.
Yeah, I can do that too if you want me.
Isn't that better? Because since we already have we already have a basic layout. So what do you
Okay.
think?
I can rearrange that and make it
Okay,
better.
that's better, right? That's like a better idea.
That's-
So
yeah.
if we can recreate the entire homepage on Figma, whatever we had so far, we would like to see what you would do different in Figma, not in Webflow, but in Figma. And you could
Yeah,
show it to us first so that we can understand what you mean by spacing and all that stuff.
But 5 or 6 hours, you think he needs 5 or 6 hours?
No, that
five-
won't take 5 or 6 hours.
No.
Right?
No, that won't take. Yeah,
That won't take 5 or
max-
6 hours.
No.
So what's your
that
time
will
frame for
take
that?
2 to 3.
Yeah, because how much are you an hour? Are you like $50 an hour or something? How much are you an hour?
2 to 3 hours, I asked.
You're 30 an hour, right? Or how much?
How much do you charge for an hour?
No, I'm saying that it would take around 2 to 3 hours.
Okay,
How
that's
much do you charge an hour?
How much do you charge for it?
an hour?
$25 $25 per hour.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so so Abdul, I'm confused. What are we talking
You just
about?
feel like you
I'm
just
just
need
I'm just
him.
gonna share my screen. I'm just gonna share my screen.
You just feel like you guys really need him, I'll do it. I mean, that's what I'm asking. If you guys feel like, you sure
So
you
you
need more important stuff we
see
don't need like at all?
you see this?
Yes.
You see this, right?
So
So
this
what
is-
I'm trying
yeah.
to say,
So this
what
was
I'm
your
trying to
home
s-
page.
for example, this is our homepage, right? So I'm just trying to ask you that what would you do? Would you move this to the left or something? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to like arrange these things properly? Is that what you're talking about?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
No, I'm asking, right? So if we gave you the Figma layout, what would you do? Would you arrange it in the proper order, which will take you 2 to 3 hours? Or
No, I was
because
talking about your existing design on Figma.
on
to arrange it.
existing design on Figma, like for example, this is our existing homepage design on Figma, right?
No,
Correct?
this is just your layout.
Okay,
There's
you
a-
want hero section and
Yeah.
all those stuff, dude.
Yeah,
Ashish.
exactly.
Can you repeat that? Sorry.
He wants
I
the
was
hero
talking-
section and the
Whole page
Oh, you-
design, whole design.
Oh, the whole thing, including the hero. Okay.
Yeah, including the hero. So
Ashish,
this
I think I
isn't-
can do that right
this is
now.
your design, it's just your basic layout.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
So I was talking
But-
about arranging your website, your homepage design. So if you
Understood.
understand.
Okay. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, okay. Sure. So we can recreate the thing on Figma for you and we can send it to you. Yeah,
Sorry?
we can recreate the homepage on Figma for you and we'll send it to you. And once you're done, you can let us know.
Okay.
Okay. Tarun, will you be doing that?
Yeah, I can do the hero section. And can you send a screenshot of or just an image of the completed Lottie animation?
Yeah, understood. I'll do that.
Yeah.
See, also the hero section is under team project, okay? Over here.
Okay, got it.
And what
You
about
just
the
copy
next
paste it.
sections?
The next sections, we'll see depending on what you do with the main section, the
Main section.
hero.
Yeah,
Yeah.
makes sense.
Is that, yeah, okay?
Is that okay
sounds
for
good?
you?
So 3 hours for this. Okay.
Will it, actually, Abdul, will it actually take 3 hours to move things around on Figma?
No, see, basically what I will do is to.
I'm just curious,
make it
yeah.
look better and yeah, I will try to make it look better, to put more graphics and design it according to
Oh,
my
okay,
eye.
okay. Okay, so
I
you're gonna
won't-
add stuff.
Yeah, I would do some kind of, I would play with them.
Right, okay, makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So you would need time to brainstorm and think and
So
move
about
things
70,
around.
so it's
Okay.
like $75. About $75 for you to do what? To move stuff around.
And add stuff and make it okay. Huh. Tarun, do you think it's required? And
I probably,
I would rather send you guys that money, to be honest. I mean,
Tarun,
I'm not trying to be rude.
Um,
I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just being honest. That's
what do you think?
Ashish, what I think is, right now he thinks there's a lot of space because wait, Abdul,
Because we don't
so
have
just-
content, right?
Yeah,
the
that's
main
what
That's what I was thinking. Okay. Okay. So Abdul,
one point.
yeah.
Yeah, go on, man. Tell
We
us,
were
tell us.
planning to add in vector animations, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
We can use
Yeah, so that might fill up the spacing, right?
That's what we're thinking, right? So, but
Yeah.
so Abdul, okay, you know what we'll do, Abdul? We'll try to finish off the homepage and we'll come back to you. We will consult you on the layout again,
Okay, sure.
and you could critique us then and like offer to make it better.
Oh, I have a good
Yeah.
idea. Are you good at like Rick and stuff, like organizing stuff? Are you good at like organizing like organizing like projects and stuff like or we need help with that, or like setting up, oh, do you have like, do you know how to set up like platforms for like payments, like Stripe and all that stuff?
No.
No? Okay. Well then I don't know. But we need to organize, like I need help like on Rike or whatever. So we need help like on a platform, we need a content management.
Alex, what about Abdul? Do you have any experience with e-commerce sites?
Yeah, good job, T. Good thinking.
Yes, I do have.
Can you show us one of your examples, just one of any e-commerce site?
Yeah,
that
what's
has a
your
part of
and your opinion on Shopify? I'm just kidding. No, for real
Abdul,
though.
can you just show us one? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wait
man.
a minute. Designed by me, developed by me
Okay.
on Shopify.
Beautiful and very good job. Great. Good job. Very good job.
Abdul, what about e-commerce site made using Webflow? Do you have one?
No.
Who is this made by? Shopify?
No.
Yeah.
This is on Shopify.
This is a theme. I
Abdul,
know.
would you recommend
No.
Shopify or
No,
Webflow for
Shopify
e-com?
has lots of restrictions.
Yeah, it's very
Okay.
restricted. Yeah, it's very restricted.
Yeah, Shopify has lots of restrictions.
But it's
so
but it's
don't go
people
on
friendly if you don't know code and stuff. It's very like friendly. It's very like optimized for
Yeah,
selling
it's
stuff.
easy, but restrictions.
So you use Shopify to build this? Would you use a theme? Now, did the person buy the
No, this
template?
is no, this is custom design.
Okay, but you have to start off with some sort of theme though. What theme did you use to start off with? The basic one?
remember that?
The basic one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you did all that. Very good job. You did a good job.
Thank you.
It's pretty good, yeah.
But like I
Yeah.
said, yeah, this is just the basic Shopify. Pretty much, it's exactly. It's very limited. You can't add animation and stuff like that. But it looks nice though. It's clean and everything. But
Yes.
that's like what I was telling them though. I'm like, if you want like a clean website, you can go Squarespace maybe or something. I don't know. You know, like that's gonna look square and boxy. Because that's our competition. We can't, that's our competition really. If you think about it, Squarespace, Wix, all that is our competition. So, we have to find something that separates us from them. And I just feel like, I don't know what I'm trying to get at. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, can we use him or not? You guys think yes or no? Can you start tomorrow or what do you?
Alex, can we actually talk in private?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. We'll do that. I'm sorry for wasting your time. I feel like we wasted your time tonight. I feel like we should hire you because I feel bad for you. Okay. Well, what about, content writing? Can you write blogs and stuff?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I don't write blogs.
Okay. What about SEO?
No. Designing and development.
Okay. All right, guys. Okay. Well, I was trying to help you out. I don't know.
Just let me know about the work. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
thank
For yeah.
We'll get back to you, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Abdul, we'll get back to you.
Take care.
Bye, Abdul.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank
Abdul.
you
Take
so
care.
much. Dave. Bye. Thank you. Okay. All right. Okay. Is he gone?
Did he leave?
Is he
Yeah,
gone?
he left.
Okay.
First thing, I want to start first.
No.
So the first thing is no chucking out our colors, bro. I really love our colors.
I know. I cannot believe
Yeah,
you. I was
yeah.
so offended.
Yeah. Like I
Instead,
got his point. Like his point
yeah.
was to take one color.
I
and
understand
black
his-
and white, but why?
Yeah, I understood what he meant.
But still, bro.
Yeah,
like,
but
those are for
Mhm.
professionals.
But he doesn't
We are a-
understand we are trying to follow a theme here, right? Our whole
Yeah.
point was to choose this colors. Like our thing, it's fine. He just came for one meeting. He may not like reflect with us. Yeah, but yeah, he has some valid points. But then our color we are not changing, man. Our color is nice. I like how the website is going now. Color very nice.
Alex is
Yeah.
muted. What the heck?
Why did you put the face or you put the laugh face?
Alex.
What is that for open mode?
Not able to look at anything.
What do you guys think about Ben?
Like Ben is a quick
Ben.
learner. Like the progress, I like the progress which he made.
Oh,
Because
Ben?
when because when I was 4 months into web dev, I didn't know to do these kind of stuff, like those games and stuff.
Oh, the game was pretty good, but he couldn't play it.
I think he left it. He
Sorry,
could.
guy. Dude, shut up, dude. Tarun's texting
No,
in
no,
DM, dude, this guy is a bad gamer. I'm like, what the heck?
Hey, no, he just left it so that it'll
Yeah,
close.
This guy is a bad gamer. It's noob.
Okay. The next thing, Firo,
Hey,
Ashik.
Abdul is like that guy is a good freelancer, but like I
Team
don't
player,
think he
I don't
can
know,
help.
man. I
Like, team player, I
Team
don't
player
know.
will be
Yeah.
difficult with Abdul, I feel.
And bro,
Because
I think the reason. Okay, yeah, tell that.
no, you go on.
God
I
damn.
think the reason he's telling to go solo is like he wants to check online blogs how to do it and stuff. I don't think he knows a lot because when I had about back in this guy to literally 2 minutes to mute himself, go search. I think
He doesn't know
I don't
anything.
know.
Yeah, he would be right from scratch. So I mean, that's,
And the animation with Alex Asi, and I muted and I
But
literally
also
laughed.
Roshan,
Yeah.
if he is actually made the first website he showed us,
Hey bro, yeah.
if he
dude,
actually
the
did
first
it,
was
I'm telling you,
literally-
his design aspects are pretty good actually. If
Yeah,
that
no,
was
dude. Like
actually
I
what
got
he did.
shocked. I got shocked. Like then he's like $25 an hour for that design. If he would have done that for clients,
we're talking about. We're
like
talking
bro,
about Ben.
they charge more, dude. Like if he really did that thing, and if he could do it. For
No,
me.
maybe it depends on the
He
thing,
has a
bro.
team. He said
Yeah.
he has
Yeah,
a
dude.
team.
He has a team. Yeah, dude. Like okay,
said
maybe
he
that's
has a
yeah. Okay.
team.
Agreed.
Not team.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what
Guys,
if
but
one
like-
on the team?
His first website had too many typographic errors.
Yeah,
As a
yeah,
graphic
that was-
designer, I couldn't handle myself.
But the animation, I
don't know.
like the
The animations was so good, like how
So
they
nice,
change
yeah.
at the edge. Yeah.
Tarun, did he tell it was done using Webflow? Did he tell?
Yes,
No.
yes.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
The
yes.
first and the
First one
second,
was
yes.
Yes.
He's also
Hey, guys,
a no-code
can I-
developer, right?
Can you?
I think he's I think he is using code.
Is he?
Yeah, he said he used code for something, right? That's what I heard.
Yeah, Ashish, you were asking
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I want to show you something that I came across. Okay, wait, I can't. Let me just find it. Let me just find it. And hold on,
Till
hold on.
then, that's it, right? So, AB, I mean, okay.
Hey,
like,
was
Tarun, you
Alex,
asked, was it the
was
same? No, dude.
ABT the same guy?
What?
We
The
remember this guy
ABT guy.
ABT.
Who?
ABT.
Oh,
The-
what a weirdo.
The cocky dude.
Such a freak. No, listen to this. No, listen to this. And then he ends up hitting me on private message. He's like, "Oh, I'm 14. Is that okay?" I'm like, "Get the fuck off of our fucking page now." I'm like, I'm like, no.
Oh shit.
He's 14. I was like, you know, in America, that's like fucking. You do not mess with kids. He was like, well, it should be about. He's like, it should be about skill. He's like, it should
He
be
has a
about.
team.
I know.
like a
I was
bunch
like,
of
I was
kids
like,
or
I have a
something,
team.
I
I was
don't
like, you're a weirdo. I was like, what, at a clubhouse? Like, no.
Dude, the first thing he asked was, "How much will you pay me?" Wow.
Yeah, I know, because he's a fucking hustler. They're all hustlers.
He
Like,
needs
I'm
his
not-
action figures,
Yeah,
guys.
no, the thing is, payment was also fine. The moment he told, I have a team, let's all merge and
Let's
do, I was like,
merge it,
okay.
dude.
Yeah, I was like, I lost my shit.
It's like a play date or something.
Yeah, I was like, I gotta go. He's like, well, it's about skill, not age. And I was like, well, mother, I was like, I don't give a fuck about your skills. You're 14, get out of here. I didn't say that to him. I was like, but you gotta go. I was like, I'm sorry. I was like, it's not gonna work out. It's like, you're like, I didn't want to keep talking to him. I thought I was gonna get in trouble. You know what I mean? Like, you did not mess. You're not even allowed to mess. If you're under 18 here, it's like you have so many. It's like you're under the rights of like you have so many. Like, you could literally murder somebody if you're under 18. You get away with it.
What?
Yeah, the same
Yeah.
thing in India.
Yeah,
Same.
exactly. So it's
Okay,
like,
okay, bro. Oh, this is nice.
I like that. Oh, did you guys see the horse one? Did I show you guys the horse one? Oh, I like that one a
See
lot.
how it's expanding in size as you go?
Okay, then we need
Right?
that kind of. Okay, but
And-
listen, that's who we
and it
need then,
pops,
Addy.
right?
Ash, we need that kind of person. We need a greenhouse developer, or whatever they're called.
Green
And it's
stuff,
gonna
yeah.
it's see, you see how it bursts the bubble like
Yeah,
as
it
it,
was, yeah.
and if you go in the top and it comes
It's
back
gonna
again
come back.
and, like,
Yeah,
oh,
it's
oh.
insane,
Fucking
it's
sick.
insane.
It's sick. It's
so
so
see,
sick.
see how it's so wobbly. Look at the physics
So
animation. in
so
this.
sick. Okay, here we go. We're
It's
gonna.
like a simulation, like a live
Can
simulation.
you share the link here?
Yeah, share the link.
link. What you're showing?
Kind
in
of
the
lagging.
link.
Yeah, it'll lag.
Oh, it's lagging.
obviously.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
You
He's
should
the
see
first
this
time
in all its glory.
For the first time Roshan called you noob, you have to note down the time.
No.
It's
Hey, I
6:10.
told her enjoy.
The
a lot.
amount of times you call us
People know.
noob, bro, I don't even listen.
Hey.
Like I don't even recognize it anymore.
Hey,
It's a true insult, Roshan.
hey,
Okay, anyways,
come
so-
on. Get the link. Get the link.
You see how it's
Link. Get the link, my
Check it
man.
out.
We'll only check it out.
oh
Bro,
sorry,
come
one
on,
second.
dad.
Let me
Don't
send it. Let me
don't
send it.
enjoy
Put it
alone,
in
dad.
chat here only.
Yeah,
Enjoy alone.
my bad. Did you get it?
Yes, yes.
Browser lab.
Oh, it's loading.
See, it's something like this we want to make, but it should.
Oh,
Oh,
you
bro,
can-
bro,
you
this
can-
this is so
You can
smooth,
drag
bro.
it around. You can drag it around.
I know we can drag it around. That's what I'm saying. It's like
Oh.
Bro, when the bubble
Look
look
bursts,
at the
bro,
look at the physics. Look at how it's.
those mini droplets when the bubble bursts. Oh my
Yeah, I know,
god.
right?
Oh,
I
oh, that's
know.
actually nice.
Alex, are you looking at it?
Yeah, I'm trying to find someone right now.
Oh,
Huh?
how to make bubbles on Webflow.
Hey, now I'm telling you, Ash, this could be something you could get into, and it's really like really obviously wanted. I mean, this is. Did you hear him when he saw it? He's like,
That's true.
no, did you hear him? He's like, I can do everything, and you showed him that. And he went, oh, I don't know about that. He's like, that's pretty.
true. I mean,
That's because he's a freelancer. He'll be having a lot of projects, so he's not ready to work as a team. That's
It's
the whole
insane.
problem.
It's like a puppy
Yeah.
mill, like a website mill. I told you about this. People who just bust out websites, like nothing. Like I'll do this like a box. No, like we're more.
Oh, that bubble's very addictive, bro. God damn it.
Love
I've been
the
bursting it.
Yeah.
I've been
dude,
bursting
look at
it,
this.
especially.
Look at how are they so good at the simulation, dude? Is it like live happening with the GPU?
I
or
don't know, bro.
something?
The
Web- yeah,
you
it's
can
WebGL.
play.
Every 3D
WebGL.
object, every 3D object you see, it's WebGL.
Okay, there's
I
this
can play with my
one
scroll
thing.
button, bro. It's so nice.
Hey, you'll drag the bubble around and play
Hey,
with it.
Roshan.
That is more fun.
Roshan.
Yeah.
So you know what is that file format for 3D on web? I forgot what it is. One
See,
second.
for 3D, the objects, they use something called 3JS, okay, for the objects. And to interact with the
Okay.
object, like move it around, make it animate, like, and play with it. And
See,
stuff,
for
they use-
example, I'll this is not downloadable. Okay. For example, let me just search for downloadable 3D asset. Okay. For example,
Okay.
choose something. Okay. I'm just gonna type car. Okay.
Okay, anything.
Downloadable. So this is all gonna work on the web. So you see right now, this is using, I think your 3D thing, whatever you said, GL or whatever. You see how I can scroll and look at the model, and I
Yeah.
can also like, so if I download, this is the file format, GITF. GITF.
Okay, that I don't know.
GITF is used for whatever you're saying. Okay, so I can create
Okay.
these models. If you
Okay.
can somehow, or if we both, Tarun and all of us, like
Would be nice, would be lit.
we could
Okay, what's
try
your idea?
that.
First, no, first tell what's your idea. I want to know what's your idea.
Yeah, what 3D animation can you give?
Like, what model do you want to build for our website? Like, what do you want to do?
So our website doesn't have like, it's empty in terms of 3D.
Okay.
So I was just saying, nothing for a website, like preparing ourselves for
The future,
clients.
you're telling.
the
Yeah,
future, the
makes
clients.
sense. Yeah, makes sense.
So we can educate ourselves with whatever you like, the 3D thing you're saying. Can you say what that thing is again? What do you
WebGL.
call
You'll
it?
have to learn WebGL to interact with the stuff like 3D objects. If you want to make objects in JavaScript, you can use 3JS, or you can make it using other softwares and export it like what you showed now.
Right. And look, I use Cinema 4D, okay? For
Oh, you use Cinema 4D.
yeah, I'm like a huge Cinema 4D dude. So I use that. The thing you can use it in Webflow apparently, and you can also use particle.js. Remember I sent you a link for the
Yeah,
particles?
you send the particles. Yeah.
Particles.js. So that and then the WebGL, you can come up with something really cool after that.
Like, why Webflow WebGL? Like, okay, you want to use it in Webflow. Okay, got it.
No, we can do it code. That's what I'm saying. Once we get like an initial
Yeah, for WebGL,
thing
you'll have to
going on.
learn JavaScript. So I recommend like starting with the course slowly, side by side, as we build our website.
Understood. Yeah. Okay.
So where will we use GSAP then? For which
GSAP is for 2D web element, like HTML tag animations. So if you're
What is
building
the
Are
spelling?
we using GSAP though? I thought,
GSAP, type GSAP 3. GSAP 3, that's the latest version. 3. You'll get short tutorials, bro.
Okay,
Yeah, this guy.
okay.
That guy Simon, his name is Simon. He's really good with it.
He looks like a Chad or something, like a jock. Hey, what's up, dudes? Let's go like drink some beer cans and do some JSAP.
Chad.
You wanna
Hey,
come
we'll
out?
learn GSAP.
Yeah,
It'll
let's
be
do
fun.
it.
We can build on our own without
bro, then all of this can be our features also. See, makes sense. We are building on our features now. See, they're
That's
not.
true.
I don't think
Learn.
many of our at least like Alex mentions, like Wix and all of these people, they don't even
Yeah,
have such
dude.
facilities.
Yeah,
None of
we
them
will
provide
be on
like
the top. dude.
WebGL and GSAP and all. Yeah,
Hmm.
so yeah, these are like we are already building a gap between us and them.
Yeah,
How
Ashish,
able
and
to
one note,
differentiate us.
one note, like WebGL is not optimized for mobiles, okay? Just wanted to
Understood.
tell it out.
So we cannot do the ball dropping thing, Tarun, for the mobile.
No,
Oh
no,
my God.
ball dropping is using GSAP. GSAP you can do it on anything.
Oh, you're saying WebGL. Oh, sorry. My bad.
WebGL,
I
the
got
3D
confused.
thing, 3D thing.
Yes. I
It's
get
not
that.
optimized on phone, so we should be careful with that. Using it on our website.
Oh, the same link when you opened on phone, it didn't come up.
Like it will come down. Like he showed a car bubble. What is that in bubble? Like it's simple. I'm asking like car. Like you want to move a car, play with the car and stuff.
Oh, stuff like that. Wait, I'll just check it on.
It all depends on optimization, da. Because we are.
See,
beginners,
for
we don't know
example,
how to
right? For
optimize.
example, they have you could have a company that makes juice bottles or something like cans, like a juice thing. So and then they have a no, like it's a simple thing, like everyone understands. So
yeah,
it's like
got
you
it.
have like a 3D tin can, and you have that product design wrapper around it. So I have the 3D model, and like as you scroll, it's gonna like
Wrap
what do you
it
say?
up.
Rotate, wrap it out, or rotate like in velocity. You know what I mean? Like those kind of stuff.
Nice.
But also
nice.
Webflow has a 3D thing. I don't know what's different with that. You can add like, so if you look at this tutorial, they kind of like show, one second, 2D element parallax. Sorry, my bad.
Like basically like what you told, but in Webflow, right?
Yeah.
Intro to 3D, is that the one?
This one. So you see, this is in the format of. That's the format.
He's so fat.
The astronaut.
Yeah.
He has a eating disorder.
Damn, I wonder how he got selected though.
I'll tell something lame. Huh?
Probably bribed.
No, I'll tell something lame. Huh? You know why the astronauts fat. No,
See,
bro,
look
I'm
at
not
this.
telling.
GLB. Roshan.
GLB, okay.
So they're using GLB and they're using this GTLFU whatever. They use this 3D models and they can interact with it. They can animate it. They can move it around. That's what I'm saying.
I typed .glb. It's showing Mercedes GLB.
No, put GLTF model.
No, I got it.
GLB
What's it?
sucks, bro.
GLB is a 3D file format used in virtual reality and augmented reality.
And web. Okay.
Okay.
So what they do is see how
what was the other one?
GLTF.
GLTF.
Okay, yeah, go on. Literally.
Yeah, look at this dude. He gets the 3D model into this, the fat astronaut, and then afterwards he puts it. He kind of extracts like the body code. He puts the HTML embed. He embeds the thing. Okay. And at the end, what happens is that he has a 3D functioning model, and he can. Let me check if it's interactive. Yeah, see, he can move it around. If he can move it around, it's also understood that it can interact with the page elements. Is it, or is it not?
Page elements. Like, what do you mean by page elements? I think it's
not elements. Sorry, like interaction. Like scroll interaction or whatever.
Okay, those. Yeah, wait. For the bubble, like bubble, we saw right when we were scrolling, it was in the frame.
Yeah, dude, bubble is different.
I don't have experience, but maybe, dude. I don't know. Not 100% sure. Should be there. Because when you
Fine.
scroll, it's gonna go out of frame. So obviously it should be there.
Okay, cool. You know, whenever I say okay, cool, Google thinks I'm saying
Okay,
okay,
Google.
Google. Every time with Tarun, with everyone.
Google
What's
trying to
next?
be over smart.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So this is one Webflow 3D. We have GSAP
wait,
3D.
listen,
We have
like-
WebGL.
Will like what do you want to focus on? I recommend we'll focus on GSAP first. That's
Okay, cool.
simpler, right? So we can get started with our website. The ball dropping thing, we can do that.
A ball dropping theme, you need GSAP or the GLV.
GSAP. Hey, WebGL for 3D, na? So
WebGL.
you know 3D, no? Like 3D. in the
Yeah,
sense
yeah,
of
yeah.
the
Three-dimensional.
depth, the
Bruh.
z-axis.
3-dimensional.
Dude, is that a reel that you can see about what's possible with
GSAP.
yeah, with GSAP?
Like check the website itself. They'll show like what and all is possible. Like what all tools, not tools, what all methods they have and stuff. See the
GSAP.
video, the first video. Tarun says we learned, huh? Like, but
We'll
you'll
da.
have to
Tarun, you
everything is
learned,
in
oh.
article. No,
No, we
everything
will,
is
I
in
say.
article.
Already.
Oh my God. Wait a minute. GSAP is same as GreenSock.
Hey, the full form is Green Sock Animation Platform. Green Sock is the company, GSAP is their
Uh,
product.
I should probably kill myself right now.
What's it called? GSAP?
What?
I've been
Yeah,
putting in
GSAP,
GSOC.
yeah.
What's it called?
The GSOC is the company. So
GSAP. Oh my
is their
gosh, guys.
product.
Come on, GSAP.
GSAP.
Correct,
Apparently,
you
Tarun
can-
finished learning it.
Yeah.
You guys, if you guys wanted to, you guys could learn this shit easy. I know you guys could.
But everything is in text based, no courses, dude. That's the only thing.
Bro, the thing is,
Only YouTube courses.
I signed up. Okay, I still didn't get the confirmation email. It's been 10 minutes, bro.
For GSAP.
Yeah,
Hey, you don't have to. It's a JavaScript library.
bro,
huh?
it's literally telling me, please confirm your email.
Where? Like, what did you do? You tell? You went to GSAP website. Why did you log in?
yeah.
No. Go.
I wanted
you'll
to
just
make an
need.
account, man.
Why though? You don't have to. Like, you will never use this website until unless you want to know about the documentation. So you'll click on docs.
Obviously,
Or
you
if you
need
want to see,
documentation to learn
yeah,
it, right?
you don't have to log in for that. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You didn't know.
What
See,
shit, bro.
go to this link. Done. That's it. Just click.
Learning,
Oh,
Hmm?
damn.
Okay,
Wait,
what is?
bro, what is that HTML? What is that? Okay, can SVG.
So wait, I'm confused. Why do we need this to? I can do this in After Effects and get it over to.
Yeah, you can
Um,
do that, but their GSAP is like pure coding.
Look at the freaking. Oh wait, that's
No,
the
no,
SVG.
no,
How do we
that's
minimize the
SVG.
SVG?
So SVG people do it in Figma, right? So no.
Got understood. So CSS.
Absolute. What dot?
Let me just go from top. Body SVG. We have dot dot. Dot is probably the div block or something. The class.
Okay,
The class.
okay, maybe.
The class they're using. Dot one, dot two. You have different dots. Let me just
Background.
refresh
No,
it.
for
How do I
backgrounds.
refresh?
Only for backgrounds. Look at that.
Run. Only for backgrounds, correct. How do I run it again? Okay, look at this. What the?
What happened?
Oh, oh.
Yeah,
Nice,
okay.
huh?
So, there's already a logo given. So, okay, for that.
Logo is this one, I guess. Like the
Swoosh.
thing that we see. Swoosh. So what is that for? For loop?
I don't know. This is from GSAP, the
It's a for
demos. Like, what is the point? I'm trying to understand what else can you do with this, because that's not a huge thing. It's not a big thing.
loop. Yeah, you can do it in this one, right? After Effects.
Yeah.
Hey, this is in whoa.
Is it like a loading screen or something?
Maybe yeah, dude. I mean, I didn't get it. Okay, loading screen. This was some
See,
what?
all this I
Tarun,
can do.
Joseph's chemistry lab website. Da.
Why do we need to have a loading screen?
Hey guys, we have someone coming in right now. He's from India.
Yeah.
He does he says he does specialize in like animation and stuff. We'll see what he says.
Okay, yeah, we can talk to him. Okay.
We'll ask him questions and he can hopefully give us information for free.
Hey, don't show GSAP. Don't show GSAP. Don't tell anything about GSAP. We'll
I
ask him,
won't,
like,
I won't, I
what
won't.
does he use?
Yeah, cool.
Administrator. Administrator.
Here he is, administrator one. Ooh, fancy. Administrator 1.
Hmm.
Roshan.
We can still hear you.
What's happening?
Hey, admin, what's up?
He's still connecting the
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
Gio da.
There he is. He's from India. He's from India, I think. India. All right, cool. Go.
Hello.
Hey, hi, hello.
Ah, hi.
hello.
Hi, hello.
What's your name, bro? What's your name? Like, what do you want us to call you? Administrator 01. Like, what do we call you? Like,
I
what's your
think
name?
he's lagging.
Okay, maybe. He's muted.
Yeah, I think he has some internet
Roshan?
issues.
Roshan.
Let's just
is it-
wait. Let's just wait.
He's
Yeah,
muted.
yeah, wait.
He's muted. You're muted. We can't hear you. All right, there we go. I always pick the good ones. And admin, hello, for real, hello. Okay, on to the next one then, because I have to hear the people messaging me. Is he gone? Is he lagging? Is he here? What's up? Should I invite the other people?
Administrator, you could type in the chat box if there's something wrong with your audio video.
Yeah.
Alex, what's his name? Do you have an idea?
Yeah, hang on real quick. Let me find out.
I don't know. I did not ask that.
Roshan, literally, I
That was,
heard.
no, that was
What do
not
you want?
That was. I didn't ask what do you want. I asked what do you want us to call you. What do you
Okay.
want it seems, dude? What the heck? Someone comes. Someone
Why
comes.
would you say
What do you
that?
want it seems? What?
His
No, I
name
didn't-
is Ankin, Ankan,
Ankin.
Yeah, hi.
Anakin
Hi, hi,
Skywalker.
Hello.
Oh, Ankin. Hey.
Hello, Uncle.
Yeah, hi.
And
Hi.
okay,
you
so
You can hear us? Okay, cool.
okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you introduce yourself? Oh my
Hello?
you're muted again, Uncle.
Ankit or Ankin or Anakin?
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hey, are you facing difficulties with your internet or something?
Internet? Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, sorry for disturbance.
Sure. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Ankan. Yeah,
Ankan. Okay, Ankan.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Ankan, could you give us a brief description and like of what you do so far, and can you introduce yourself? What you specialize in?
Sure. Sure. I'm working on GSAP animation banners and web animations also, and I'm here about to know what type of animation you required here.
Okay.
Yeah. Ashish,
Okay,
can you
that's
show him
good.
the video?
All right. Yeah. So I'll just show you one video and I'll let you know what we are looking for. Okay. You should let us know if it's possible with GSAP and your expertise.
And mobile.
Okay.
Right, and for mobile as well, right? For mobile.
Yeah. In mobile. On phone. I'll show you a video. Let us know if it's possible. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so we have this video. It's not an actual website. So it's basically this. Can you see the round ball, Ankan?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see, we basically wanted to go with the interaction of scrolling throughout the page, and we wanted to go over the headings, the H1s, and the H2s of the page. So you see how it's going, and as we're scrolling, it's going to the next heading. If I go back, it's going to go back to the first heading, and it's filling it. It's changing its shape to this size of the heading. So meet the team. You see how it's like engulfing that, and it's also going to none of us is as smart as all of us. Like, look at that. And so we were wondering if it's possible with your tools and your skill.
Yeah, definitely it is possible, but I think I am not suitable to done this type of animation. Actually, I have
Okay.
What's it called? What's the person called then?
So it is possible to do with GSAP, right? It is possible to do with GSAP.
Yeah, it is
and anyone with
possible.
GSAP. Okay.
Yeah, you can ask other freelancers. Maybe
Okay.
they will done for you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Ankan.
Thank you.
It's been
Thank
helpful.
you.
All right.
Thank you, Ankan. Have a nice day.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you.
All right, this looks like it's hard shit, guys.
Okay,
knew
okay.
it.
I wanna talk first. I wanna
Oh my
talk
God,
first.
Tarun.
He looks like he
Of
sounds like
course.
this typical Indian dude from Family Guy.
he
swear.
sounds like a typical Indian period.
Yes, the accent.
What?
I keep
What
having
happened?
fun.
He
The
left.
accent. Huh, he left.
Like, what happened?
He said
couldn't
he
have
couldn't
you.
do the animation. He said he couldn't do the.
Stop
Okay,
it.
okay,
He's
see.
one of us.
Anyways. Got
He
it.
couldn't do anyways, but still.
Shut up,
So-
Roshan. Don't.
Roshan, were you here? Were you here when he was talking?
Like I told 2 minutes I'll be back when he started.
So what he said is that it is possible with GSAP, but it's not in his area of expertise to do it.
So like, what does he do? Hover animations.
Probably, like he said, banner animations and stuff. So like the static animations that I do in After Effects, he can do during
Okay,
like using
so
GSAP.
Those okay. Still, animation.
But he's saying it is
complex.
possible. Oh my God.
It is possible. Yeah.
Alex, what did
Shut
you
up,
think of
Roshan.
this dude?
I think
Animation is
that-
complex.
I think that, yeah, I think that it's gonna be hard to, I think this is a specialty.
Yeah.
Probably.
I think this is something that we could really bank our website on specializing in, and I think we could really make a
It's
good market
true.
for it.
Yeah, dude, and
That's
clients will
true,
like
it's
it
true.
too. Like,
GSAP
I'm telling you,
3.
I'm telling you, I think that now, I think after today, I've had like an epiphany. I think that this is what we should bank our website on. I think that we should be in, and we should bank on animation and stuff, because this looks like it's a
But
really
we're
hard.
still exploring, right?
Of course,
you
we're
know,
still
what if-
exploring. What do you
Okay,
mean? What do you
nice.
mean? No, keep going.
Hello
Sorry, guys.
guys, I'm back.
Who's that? Who is that?
Administrator 01.
You're back. Oh,
I just I went to take a break, what do you say?
you
new
missed
break.
it, da. You missed it, da. Cheh.
You missed it.
What did I miss?
I'm so confused. We're-
Animation.
Oh my God, bro, what did I miss?
Alex, probably you wouldn't get the joke because it's just
Like, the slang, just the slang accent.
it's just the slang accent.
What did he say? What did he say?
The
Animation.
typical Shut up, Roshan.
Yeah, John. Okay, fine. Sorry for interrupting. You guys continue.
Wait, what kind of person do we need to find? Incan. I think it's a pretty name. I love your guys' names. What do you think? What kind of
What?
person do we need? Do we need a person that's in animation what's the person called that does web development animation?
Like,
I think
Good
GSAP
night.
is a pretty good description title for
Yeah.
what we need.
A lot's not coming
Like
up
a-
on that though. It's crazy. Like I can't believe how rare this is.
Really?
Okay,
Hey,
Alex,
can you ask him if it's a rare thing? Is this like a rare thing in web development? Is this like considered a very like advanced field?
I
Can
think
you,
it is
uh,
because
Ask him.
he's no longer here.
I'll ask him right now. Hey,
no, he's okay. Alex, also, can you like put the video in the description of the job post so that something like if you guys
Yeah,
are,
se-
if you
send
guys
us the
are
link.
able to
yeah,
do
can
this,
you make it like an HTML? Can you put it on YouTube or like maybe like a link or something?
Yeah, I'll put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Roshan.
like
Do
we
I
can
put it
on-
in Mad Empty's YouTube?
We'll put it on Dribble, da. Like, put it on Dribble and send in the Dribble
No,
link so that
someone
it's
might copy us.
okay.
Yeah, someone might
that's
copy
the-
it.
So put it on YouTube.
Oh,
Put it on the Mad Empty YouTube. Put it under Mad Empty.
Unlisted, right?
Yeah, unlisted.
Yeah,
under
make
Mad,
it private.
under Mad Empty clips. Well, not private, but unlisted, which means that private. Yeah, unlisted. I'm not private.
Okay.
And then
According to Google, it says that GSAP developers come under web developers. Like usually web
Nice.
developers. Yeah, so I don't know. There's no
Exactly,
particular
like in huge companies, like front-end developers only they do these kind of stuff. So front-end developers do like
It's
when
like a
they get the
skill they
design,
have.
yeah, when they get the design, they do all these animations and stuff, and the
Roshan.
designers just design. So I
So
don't know.
how new is this thing, bro, Roshan?
Bro, GSAP like came out like it came out like 2016, 17. I don't
what were they
So
using
it's
before?
pretty
It's
new, I
pretty
feel.
new then.
like before that we used to use just CSS keyframes and stuff. Tarun knows it. Tarun, it's nice, right? Like,
Bro,
hey, it's
pain in the
bro,
ass,
it's
you know.
yeah, that's there, but it's simple, right?
It's simple.
Like simple animations, yeah. You can do it. You can get started with it quick.
There's no drag and drop animation. Just kidding. Hey, did
No.
you say there's drag and drop? Did you say no code animation? Just kidding. There's no code everything
it?
else.
Is it there?
No, dude.
Yeah, it's
No,
there. No,
I
like
don't
After Effects. After Effects is there. No, no
Like
code.
After Effects
ones
is
like-
No
okay.
code.
See, even After Effects has code. Okay, we have our own coding.
Whoa.
In After Effects.
Ashish is
Oh,
totally
Please,
flexing
please.
right now.
I'm triggered.
Old bit nodu.
Ashish is triggered.
Triggered is from BPD. Assholes. I'm like assholes. Okay, look. Look.
Okay,
look.
I'm. What do I name the video?
Name it ball drop.
GSAP.
Just kidding.
GSAP ball drop. Oh, okay. What's
Just name it balls to the wall. I don't know. Name it. Can you?
I'm just gonna type GSAP animation. All right.
Be like, who can do this for us? Thanks. Be like, yeah, just put that, and then put unlisted, and then just send me the link. Actually, you guys are allowed to hire on Upwork. Why don't you guys just hire in? Why don't you guys make a description or like? I think I'm fucking up putting in the wrong person because I'm putting in I'm trying to find the right person.
Gisa was the
By the
right
way,
word.
Guys, what happened about Monique?
Monique.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Shit. Let me ask her. Shit. Monique. Oh yeah, maybe she can join up. Maybe she can join it. Monique's on. Oh, she's the guy. She's been talking the whole time. On up. Okay. Hey, can you join Zoom? Guys, she left his message first in Zoom.
On Zoom?
I mean on Slack.
On Slack.
So I'm gonna send her an invite right now to the Zoom meeting, which would be perfect. That'd be
Okay,
so
thank
freaking awesome if she could come right now.
Okay.
Okay, Slack.
How old is she?
She's older. My dad recommended me to her. She knows what she's doing.
Okay.
It's my dad's accountant's friend, which does accounting too. You know, it's like the one under. Anyways, my dad, and yes, so she knows exactly. She's very, very good. She knows all of it. Monique.
So she'll be knowing ways to like have payments and organize.
She knows everything. Yeah, she knows.
Yeah, that'll be helpful.
Yeah, she knows everything. She actually was gonna do that today. Wait, hang on, real quick. Right now, she's trying to come up with like a pricing model. She's trying to do all that first right now. Wait, hang on. She needs everyone's like roles in like the company. We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's have her try to talk with us on here first. Let's have her like talk with all of us.
Yeah.
And Ash, till then, like we are doing this together, right? Me, Tarun, and you. GSAP thing.
Yeah, let's do it. It'll be so cool. Oh wait, WebGL or GSAP?
GSAP first. GSAP.
GSAP. Okay, first.
Then we'll
GSAP,
have a
yes.
look at WebGL because first we need 2D animation. Then go to 3D.
We can probably set up a time daily.
Dude, honestly.
Yeah, guys, and
it's
Monique's here by the way.
Oh, hi, Monique.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi, Monique.
Good. Hi, everybody.
Can we show our faces or let us show our faces? No, let's go. Okay, sure.
Oh, it's too early for me to share my
Okay, okay.
face.
Fine. All right. There's the beautiful face, Addie. And then look, oh yeah, show your face, Ash. Come on, let us just see what we look like real quick. Please, real quick, Ash.
My brother's
And your
sleeping in
hair
the
is
same
beautiful
room,
hair.
so probably not today.
Aaron, let me see. Come
It's
on.
okay, Tarun.
Rosh will never
Dude,
see.
it's completely dark, dude. And I won't be visible probably.
Weirdo. Creeping in the dark.
Okay.
Self
Creeping in the
I'll
dark.
be right
weirdo.
back.
Huh? Oh yeah, sorry guys. So Monique, you want to tell them a little bit about yourself and stuff, and like what you want from them, and like what you're gonna be doing and stuff like that. Hello.
You muted yourself, Alex.
Monique. She must be lagging or something. Monique.
Hey,
Like I think I heard that she'll be right back. I think.
Oh, okay, okay.
okay, yeah. Hey,
I don't
Alex, I
know.
sent the YouTube link on your Slack, like a private message.
Okay.
Did you get it?
I'm looking right now.
Okay, until Monique comes, Roshan and Ashish,
Yeah,
can you
so
have a time
We
slot
fix a
for
time like
learning
every
that?
day 1 hour. Like 1 hour
Sure.
or if you wanna reduce or increase your wish. you just
No,
tell.
no.
Reduce or increase your wish. I think.
Like it's fine. It's up to us. So probably 1 hour if Ashish is fine with it.
Yeah, I'm good, dude. I'm
What
learning new
time?
stuff. I like it.
time?
Anytime. Let me know and I'll adjust accordingly.
Cool. Roshan.
Yep.
How about if the meeting gets over soon? How about 7:30?
Okay, for GSAP. Okay, fine. Yeah. Run, run.
Sure. Let's.
Hey, I'm back.
Hey, Monique.
Alex, you're
Alex.
muted. Alex, you're muted.
Hey Monique, yeah, so this is Monique. She's awesome. If Monique, you just want to like introduce yourself and just like let the team know like what you want from them and like what you're here for and so forth.
Okay, so I do bookkeeping and accounting. So that's what I'm gonna do is the finance part of it and also the client management. I am currently looking into the difference between employee versus contractor in multiple countries. It seems like it might be easier to go with contractor. So does everybody work on their own schedule as far as time with like a deadline?
Yeah, for the most part. Right,
Okay.
guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's not a set time of everybody has to be online and working between 8 and 5 US time, correct?
No, we don't have that. We just have like a common meeting time so that we can just share our ideas and our progress.
Right.
Yeah, when we start working, she means like when we start working for clients, correct, Monique?
Yes, that's what I mean.
Okay, okay.
Because that's one of the factors that play into if you're an employee, as well as certain kind of pay, holiday, and other benefits also play into it. You guys have your own supplies and everything. So, and do you also have any other clients or people you work for or do work on the side for your own?
Nope. Ashish does. Ashish.
Not from my side, no.
I have a few. I'm a freelancer, like aside from this. So I have like a few.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everybody's kind of a freelancer then.
Yeah, but I made it very clear to Monique though that I want everyone to be as paid as just as good as I would. Remember, Monique, where we talked about?
Yes,
as I would?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
That doesn't matter. It just depends on the classification and everything and how
American laws,
stuff is-
guys. American
right.
laws. Yeah, it's American.
Stuff is paid here. And then I think also there's an issue with have an employee in India without having an entity in India for the US company. Or like an office in India that would hire through that office.
Can we get a virtual office or something? I can get like, you know what I mean?
Well, no, I think it's better if you just stick with freelancer, contractor
Oh, okay.
status, and then your pay can be whatever. That plays no part in it whatsoever. Typically, contractors get paid more than employees because they don't get the benefits and they have to come up with their own tax payment and all of that. So an employee here that gets health benefits and all of that could receive $15 less an hour, just to say, than a contractor, because a contractor has to cover all that cost.
Yeah, so pretty much it means like minimum wage in America, which is like what, 15 an hour or something would be like for employees.
It's I think it's 10 right now, but over the next couple of years, they're trying to get it to 15.
Which I hope.
You're right. So, and then I did come across a website. I don't know how to exactly pronounce it because I want to say it's Zoom, but it's not a Z, it's an X. It's a company through PayPal that does payment. To pay them. And it gave a breakdown as to fees and stuff. And so that might be your best option as far as payment goes. It's fast like PayPal. I was in the process of reading it actually, as far as if time-wise on how it's received and all of that. And then it does the breakdown of currency and everything like that. So that might be the best option to go with. Does everybody have PayPal?
Oh, yes, I have PayPal.
Most of us do.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think we do. Yeah.
Okay. And it's not hard to set up. So if you don't, you can always set it up. I have another client who has multiple contractors that Pakistan, India, she's got a couple of overseas also that she pays. That's where I got that from, was her. She pays one of her contractors through that. She got him off of Upwork, and then eventually they did it straight,
Hey,
kind of like how I do it.
Monique, I guess they do have routing and account numbers. Would be able to just transfer, could we do like a direct deposit from our bank account to theirs maybe? Would that be easier even?
I don't know what we can. I just don't know. I don't know the fees compared. And I also, there was like a list of a couple of banks that do it. So I don't know.
We'll find that out though. Hey, check this out. So guess what, Monique? They take out taxes for them. Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
So as soon as money, that's nuts. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yep. I was reading that also, that there's different, each country is different as to what has to be paid and all of that. What I will do is I will put it's called a W-8 bin. It's the form for overseas contractors to complete for the U.S. company to report to the IRS.
Okay.
And I'll put that in the main channel, and everybody can fill it out and return it
Cool.
in a private one, or I will provide an email or something, so that, because it asks for your personal information, and everybody's personal doesn't need to be out there.
Yeah, which would be good for you guys to show you guys are working for an American company as well too. That's kind of proof. You know what I mean? That's the kind of proof you guys are wanting as well. So also, yeah, I mean, Monique, there has to be options that can get them on like, well, how do you guys feeling about this so far? What are your guys' thoughts?
Oh yeah, we've been Tarun has been planning to talk about this, and finally, this is the right track. Yeah, we're all on the right track.
On the right track. What do you, Roshan? Ash?
I'm a little confused about the IRS part, like the returns. What's that about? Like,
we are
how
not going to
are
get
we-
affected there, bro, because we are getting an external income from the other country, so it'll be tedious for us.
Okay.
We are getting, so basically we are Indian residents getting paid from a US based company, so it'll be tedious for us. Like it'll get deducted at source.
Okay.
And that looks really
Okay,
good to
got it.
have. That looks really good to keep too for like you know, it just looks good too. So it's like a way to prove as well that you're working for a company. It's good proof too and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
T, any questions, T?
As of now, noted.
We're gonna do next, Monique, is what we're gonna find out like the right pay. Now she needs your guys' payrolls. Not payrolls, but like I guess like roles, and she's gonna do like she's gonna look up online, right, Monique, like what everyone's roles are, I guess, like or
Yes. So your titles. I saw some were a back end or front end development or something. I'm not familiar with any of the terms, so you guys have to tell me what the terms are.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure, Monique. How do we do that? When do we do that?
she wants.
I mean, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was it? Yeah, it's gonna be a minute. Yeah, Monique's busy with lots of other clients as well, so we're not gonna rush her. So, but also as well, Monique. So how we're gonna find out pretty much the pay. They're gonna be their pay, we're trying to find out right now, guys. We're gonna charge clients. Have we figured out? I think we're gonna go based off that calculator, correct? Sounds pretty good, you guys, or?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Calculator. Okay, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna decide like how we were yesterday. Okay, so Monique's job, she's gonna figure out how it is when paying the when we get money from the client, where you know what I mean. And then your guys' pay scale, how that works, how everyone's gonna be paid, so it's not so confusing. Because remember, what if 4 people are working on a project at once, or we have to figure that out. That's what we're trying to figure out. And make sure everyone gets paid the most too. All right, go ahead, Monique. Go ahead.
So the best way would be, if it's an hourly thing, you guys just track your hours, and then that way it can be put into the system and then can spit out a payment. And then whatever I need to do on my end here as the US company. And then, sorry, I lost train of thought. It's early.
You haven't had your coffee yet. You haven't had your coffee yet, huh?
I know, not all of it yet. Working on it.
Starbucks just opened back up. I'm like, woo. Okay.
Yes, definitely. Once the a client comes in and they put, say, if they put a deposit down, it has to be determined if it's going to be all of it up front, if it's going to be milestones. And then that will determine how frequently you guys get paid, I guess. Obviously, if the milestone is half of it up front and then the balance upon completion, it would probably be something, I don't know how long it takes to make, I don't know any of it as far as the web development. I'm all numbers and dollars.
Yeah, she is. Which Monique, the longer you do this with us, you'll learn as well.
Right.
And guys, so what we need to get that going. We need to get some sort of like a estimate going as far as how long it should take us to do one. We need all these numbers figured out. How long it should take us to do it by the time we should be done, because we don't want to also take too long for a project, because then if we take too long by our deadline, we're wasting money technically. So it's like we need to figure all these numbers out. How long do you think on an average it would take us to build so and so and so and so? So and probably help out Monique a lot as well too. And that way, guys, it's just better to have. Hey, Addie, do you think maybe you could do something like this, or how would we do this? Do you guys have any ideas like how we would come about this? Like
basically a brainstorming session where we just sit and like talk like on individual basis how much time we are going to spend on a particular page or like a particular design or something. So yeah, all in all, we'll get a rough estimate of how long it will take for a website.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
And then once that's all determined, then it can be, weekly, or, does it take months to do them? Does it take days?
Exactly. I would think weekly or I think by milestone would be good. So every time milestone, probably paid every milestone, same thing,
Okay.
That probably makes sense. What do you guys think?
Yeah, milestone is the correct path, because we can't actually give them like an actual date or something, like a rough estimate. So milestone is the choice, I feel.
So when it's milestone time, so that means when the client pays, that means that you guys get paid as well. Yeah. I think that would be the best thing to do. So every milestone, payment in and then payment out.
Right. Perfect. And then I looked into HoneyBook, and I haven't looked into QuickBooks as deep to see what is better. It might be better to do, like you were saying, Alex, and do the HoneyBook, and then it feeds into the financial part in QuickBooks.
Yeah.
As far as client management, and then
it should be easy for you to learn, Monique. You're super smart. I mean, HoneyBook's the same thing. It's just, I think with HoneyBook, what tools do you guys know that offers us? I don't really know much. What tools would offer us different than QuickBooks? I think it's more for creatives. I know that. So I think maybe it allows you to.
It's for like creative small businesses, especially optimized for this.
But what do we need? Okay, but Monique uses QuickBooks. So why would we need? Do we need to integrate HoneyBook with QuickBooks, or is QuickBooks enough? I mean, that's what I'm trying to wonder. Go ahead, Addie.
I'll research about that and I'll let you know tonight.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Awesome. So yeah, we're gonna.
I know that we can keep. You can add your clients into QuickBooks and spit out invoices and receive payment through QuickBooks. So that part of it can all be done in QuickBooks. I don't know what exactly
HoneyBook does. Yeah, I know, right?
That's any different from that. And obviously it would be better to have it all in one place, but
yeah, exactly. I think so too. I completely agree. Let's see. What is better for QuickBooks and HoneyBook or Score? Let's see. QuickBooks and HoneyBook have the user. It's pretty much the same thing.
Right. And you can put your logo, and you can, I think you can personalize your invoices however you want to inside of QuickBooks. So that's not an issue either.
Yeah, I think that, I don't see anything different besides, let's see, contract scheduling, online payments.
Yeah, I feel QuickBooks offers us the better features also here.
And Monique has experience. Yeah, that's Monique's specialty is QuickBooks.
Then we can go with QuickBooks, because both are the same platform. I don't think we'll have to integrate HoneyBook into QuickBooks.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Perfect. Perfect. Hey, and now guys, we are gonna have an account login, Monique. So we're gonna obviously you were going to be involved with that because when I think we're going to put milestones on there. So when it's time for customers payment, is that going to go on there, guys? Like to get them like a reminder when their payments due or like,
Yeah, we can add that.
or
if
like
you
how
want.
much,
So,
If you want.
yeah, you can set it up for a reoccurring invoice that happens every so often and all of that.
yep,
Hmm.
exactly. Did you see the app? Did you check out the app video, Monique?
I did.
You like it?
Looks good. Yep.
Yeah, Monique's really into the app, guys. Here in America, people are all about apps. When I told her app, her ears perked up. She went, "Oh, I haven't seen the app yet." I'm like, "Oh." It's true though. That's how it is. People here, they're all on their phones. Most people don't know. Monique, would you see a lot of people have laptops here? I don't really think so. I don't feel like a lot of people. Everyone's on their phone and stuff, like in their
I
iPad.
guess it depends on the type of person you are.
Yeah. None of my friends do. None of my friends except yeah, pretty much everyone has like a tablet or phone. Everything's on their phone
Right.
here. Everything's about your phone here. It's all about the phones, apps, everything like that. It's huge. So all right, cool guys. Anything else, Monique, that you need from them? So you need them to fill out that form and then email it to you, or we can put it in Bitwarden if you guys want. Would that make you guys feel better? Or however you guys want to do it. It's up to you guys.
I'm fine with anything. Like I'm fine. with
Even
anything.
I'm fine with that.
That's between you and Monique. That's between you and Monique because that's a private issue. However you guys want to do that.
Like whichever is convenient for Monique. Like
Yeah,
if she's
Monique,
not
how do you
there.
want it? Want it by email?
So, you guys use Slack probably more than I do.
Okay.
Do you feel that it's secure?
Well, do you use WhatsApp? Do you use WhatsApp before, Monique?
Yes.
Okay, we can
I
use
have
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Okay, perfect. We'll use WhatsApp then for that. Is that cool with you guys? Because it's encrypted.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, I'm gonna add you to the channel, Monique. Okay. I'm gonna
Okay.
add you to the I'm gonna send you an invite to the Madam D WhatsApp.
Official, yeah, the official channel.
Yeah.
Hey, Alex,
Yep.
who's the right person to talk to about contracts or like a certificate or something like that?
Yeah.
What do
Certificate contracts. I'm a lawyer. Would probably be the best person. But what like for? Yeah, I have no problem writing you guys like a contract. Every project can have every project's gonna have a contract. What I'm trying to look into is getting like stocks
okay.
or something. What I'm trying to look into is getting like stocks or something, so you guys can own stock in the company or something like that. So then you guys can have like, how would that work, Monique? Like, how would I make them like have some sort of like ownership in the company? You know?
So, if you want to do ownership,
Well, not
then-
like stock, correct? Like, can you do stocks ownership or like how do you? I don't know how to do that.
you can, I'm not 100% sure about that.
Yeah. Is that what you guys mean? Is that what you mean, Ash? Like something to like
No,
show
no,
them?
no, he meant by saying like just some experience certificate like for school and
Oh,
stuff, or
experience
school.
certificate. Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can write. Yeah, you can just tell me whatever. I'll write it. I'll write it up and I'll sign it. That's fine. And Monique, you should probably sign it too. We can both sign it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. And not just that, like, so the contracts you're saying is going to be per project based, right? That kind of makes sense now.
Yeah.
Since we're
of course,
contractors.
per project
Yeah,
base,
yeah.
or we can even, you know what? I mean, you guys are my people. I mean, we can even do a year contract. I mean, I don't see myself using anybody else but you guys. So I mean, and the same thing with me. So why? We could do a year if that makes you guys feel better or something. And then it's pretty much if you guys, you know, if you guys decide to leave, and then at least the only thing I would put on there, the stipulation. would just be-
That's up to you.
no, I don't
That's
care.
up to you.
But I want you guys to know that you guys can trust me, okay? But my stipulations would be just make sure to give me a heads up before you guys leave. That's all it is. Like if you guys are gonna leave,
Okay.
then give me
that-
give me a
agree.
head, then give me at least like a good heads up so I can find somebody that's good enough to replace you,
Agree.
which is very hard because
So-
you're replaceable. Just kidding. Go ahead. Monique.
So what I suggest is if it's going to be an hourly rate, then you can either do a year contract, or you can just have it not specified on time. And it's just this is what you're going to get paid. It would all be laid out. I once had, I used to do the Legal Shield, and it provided any kind of lawyer.
Legal
that-
Shield? Okay.
Huh?
A legal shield. I'll look into that right now. Legal shield.
It's called Legal Shield. And like, I called them once about bankruptcy or something once upon a time years ago. Wasn't worth it for me to do it, but any kind of you ask a question and they'll provide a lawyer in your area. And then so you can get the contract written up, Alex, and have somebody look it over
Perfect.
to make sure that everything, your bases are all covered. And then, you know, it's definitely legal and nothing's missing or.
That way that
and
they're
it shouldn't
protected and I'm
be.
protected. Yeah. So, and then it's a custom contract. And then I could use this for future employees as well, like, right?
Yes.
Like,
Once you have one of them approved, if you just follow the same guidelines, you shouldn't need to have it reviewed every time you send one out.
All right, cool. Perfect. Okay, cool. But I think what it is, they also want to show that they have more, they want to feel like more than just, like just a work, they're part of the company, they started this with me. So I want to make them feel like, they're part of it too, besides just like a freelancer. That's what I'm trying to get at. But like I said, yeah, go ahead, Mandy.
And then if you're doing it that way, I would suggest I would look into some kind of stock or shareholder benefits or something, because they are not employed. I don't know. You would have to talk to
a lawyer.
A lawyer for that kind of advice, because I'm not 100% sure on how it works, especially with international.
Yeah, I know that's what's making it a little more complicated, is the fact that it's international.
And not since this is an LLC, can international residents be a shareholder of an LLC in the US?
Yeah, but I mean that's kind of that's like a big step. That means that you guys could literally sue me one day and take everything I ever had. You know what I mean?
No. I'm just telling. That's why let's not take it to that extent. I feel like contractors basis will work. That's what I meant. Like you being the contractor and me being like your, get it right? Like
I don't know. How do you look into it? How do you look into it? I don't care. As tell me what you guys want, and I'll sign it. Pretty much whatever you guys think will make you guys feel comfortable. I'll have someone go over and look over it and everything, and make sure we're both on the same page and stuff. But yeah, as long as that's understandable. I mean, if you guys want to be, is it like an owner, like a part, like
no. That's not what I meant. Like I think that like I don't want ownership and all. Like I just meant like what Monique suggested about being like you being a contractor. I think that will work out fine.
Yeah. Well, this is why, because if not, then it's going to be I think I'd have to provide you guys health insurance. We wouldn't even be able to be a company because I couldn't afford to do any of that. You know what I mean? Like,
I don't think it's legal also in that way.
What's legal?
That's what I was saying about the, when one place that I read was if you have employees in India, then you need to have some type of location office in India that is the company that represents in India, and then that company hires them as employees. So it wouldn't be Alex, you directly hiring them. You would hire that company, and then that company would hire them as employees.
But you guys would probably rather work for yourselves though, right?
It's just with them being freelancers, it's just easier to do it as contractors.
Yeah, I think so too, because then they have more. So what would protect them more if they were employees, I wonder? Did they provide them insurance and health insurance and stuff like that too? Like,
yes. I mean, you would have to do holiday pay and insurance.
Well, cool. How do I find a company like this then? I don't even know where to go. Like, let's see, like, you guys know where to
my personal, if you want to pay them holiday pay and give them some type of, I don't know how health insurance and stuff like that works over there, but not all companies offer health insurance anyway.
Yeah, no,
but you can always, if you want to throw in holiday pay, you can always throw in holiday pay.
We can do like a bonus, like a bonus or something, right?
Yeah, or some type of, it could be something where upon completion of the project, everybody gets a bonus of.
For like Christmas or something. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I mean, it just depends on how you want to do it. You don't have to specify it in the contract, and then you can just do it on your own.
What are you guys' thoughts? Yeah, that's understandable. What are you guys exactly? What do you think? That's a very good point. What are your guys' thoughts? Do you guys agree? I mean, like, what do you guys? Where are your guys' heads at right now? Like,
Like I am fine with anything like which makes it easy for you. See, like Monique, what do you feel like it's gonna be easy on Alex to hire us like as normal colleague, as a normal employee? Like me, I don't care about the benefits actually because benefits don't really matter. But then just as a normal contract, and which will be easier for Alex.
Well, eventually, I would like to get them on a work visa or something. That would be cool. If this actually really works out, Monique, that would be because they're all getting their bachelor's degrees right now, so they're eligible.
Right, but what would the work visa, I mean, does anybody,
Like, live here, so they could live here. Yeah, I'd get like an office open and everything, and that's so far down the road. I know I'm talking about that right now, but yeah, it's so far down the road.
Right now, I mean, right now, starting out, I say just pay everybody as contractors. And then once it's up and running, if you want to adjust stuff later, then do that. But for
okay, we can even do a contract like that.
A startup, you don't want to do too much because then if you do too much at once, the company is not going to make money. And you need the company to make money to grow.
Yeah, exactly.
Makes sense. Completely makes sense.
Agreed.
Yes.
And you kind of want money in the bank for the company so that if something happens,
of course,
and it takes a little longer and you can't do a milestone right away, people can still get paid because there's money there.
That's very true. Good way to look at that.
You know, I mean, it all depends, but you don't want to leave it to where there's no money in the company whatsoever.
Well, yeah, yeah, exactly. That's what I was trying to explain to them is whatever pay for the company, it's going to go all into the company. And then I'm pretty much just going to pay myself pretty much whatever they get paid, normal, probably actually less. And then it's all going to go right back into the company so we can grow, guys. You know what I mean? Because if not, it's going to be like, it's just going to fail. It's just going to fail.
Reserve funds is very important.
Yeah, so I was gonna say, Monique, so then we can write up a contract like, hey, if you guys are still working for the company, and then if we get big enough, then you guys can become permanent employee, or we could do something where we could do like some sort of like like the whole deal, you know what I mean, like the whole insurance and all that, health insurance and everything, and like the whole permanent employee thing. You know what I mean? Does it make any sense, guys? Where I'm getting at? We're just so small right now.
Yes. We'll take it step by step, and I feel Monique is like right. We'll start off like what benefits you the most. Like we'll make this process easier for now in the start.
Yeah. Let's just start off making websites and doing that. So you know what I mean. So T, do you have any insight to this, or what's up?
No, dude. I completely agree to Aditya.
Yeah, Monique's the expert in this. So whatever she says, we're going to go with, because like I said, we're going to trust her judgment because this is what she does.
Yep, agreed.
Yes, we agree.
Okay.
Completely.
Okay, Monique. So whatever you think's best, we have your back, and we're going to just go with that. Whatever you think's best. So.
Okay.
All right, guys.
And then, so I will send the form, and then did somebody send some kind of
the pay. So when it comes to like their roles, how's that going to work? Does each role is going to get right? I mean, each role is going to get paid probably different, right? Or how's that going to work? What do you guys think?
Because if you're trying, that's where it needs to be discussed, I guess. If you're one person, again, I don't know the terms. So if your front end or your whatever gets paid more than this one, but it's only really $5 more average, then it's not really that big of a deal.
Yeah.
If everybody's going to put in the same effort and, everybody has the same credentials and all of that, then everybody's probably going to get paid about the same amount. Typically here, what differentiates your pay is your term at the office, your experience in the position, and your education. Some people prefer experience over education. Some people want you to have education.
I prefer
experience, or if you don't have the education, then you need to have more years of experience to cover the education.
Exactly. Monique, no, Aditha right here, he's in marketing. How would that work? 'Cause he's just marketing and stuff. So that's different than the development. That's that would be probably different, right?
Yeah, so marketing is a different area. And then that, you know, again, if you want to throw that into the milestone, I don't know that that would necessarily fall into the milestone pay because
Exactly.
he's not.
Well, what I told him was he's gonna start a department. So I told him pretty much that I'm giving him the opportunity with the company if he wants to branch off and actually start his own marketing thing, to where the company would provide marketing services and make that and prone in on like an actual like a big service of ours, not web development and marketing. That can be like our two big things. And I told him he can take ahead of that and take complete control of that. That's up to him.
Right.
And so I guess pay would kind of deal with how the clients you get, Addie, stuff like that. I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, I don't know, right? Would you guys assume so? Or I mean, we all work as a team in a way, but I mean, is it gonna work like is Addie's gonna be doing like, what if someone comes and they just want marketing services, right? And they don't want a website build, they just want marketing services. That would be just Addie, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then
Yes,
then that would be considered pay a client for you, Addie, and then that's when you would get paid. Does it make any sense? Like, I don't like for the web development part, then the developer should get paid when we're building a website. If we're building a website, and there's no marketing going on, which I hope that's not happening, then I don't feel like you would be paid. Does that make any sense?
Makes sense.
If
That's
you're-
correct.
yeah, so. And then if there's a marketing gig, I mean, that's just like Roshan and Tyron and Ash getting paid when you're doing a marketing gig when they're not doing anything with marketing. And they're kind of, you know what I mean? Does that make any sense? It's like
Yeah, it makes sense.
two different, so, okay.
You would get paid for the work you do. So
Makes sense completely.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Which, in your field, Addie, there's a lot of potential. It's just how much you put into it. You know what I mean? So,
Yes, yes.
and then of course, yeah. All right. Any other questions, guys?
I don't have any.
No.
I think I've covered everything I needed to cover.
Yeah, even I don't have any.
Are you guys okay with that? Okay, what we need you guys to do then, you guys need to come up with how much you guys want to get paid. Like how much you guys are your guys' payment, what you guys want your guys' payment to be. Okay?
I think Monique's gonna figure that out.
Yeah, Monique is gonna figure.
Okay, Monique's gonna figure that out. Okay, then Monique, then I guess match that with what we would make the company like. So like what would be like for the a calculator. Which calculator are you using, by the way? Did you get the one I sent you?
Me?
Yeah, the calculator, for an ideal on I'll show you right now.
For an estimator, I don't know that part of it.
Oh, I'll show you right now. There's a really good one, I think. Do you guys agree with that one that we used last time, the orange one or whatever? Did you guys like that one?
The minimum was 3.2K, right?
Yeah, okay. I'm asking though, did you guys like the calculator, the web design calculator? Did you guys like that one or?
The one you sent in the beginning.
Yeah, this one, the orange.
Can you send the link?
I need to find it. I will send that to you. So, but basically, what this is, do you want that? So, do you guys think that I should send Monique the estimate calculator? I think that'd be perfect because it shows every little aspect of what we would get paid. Give her a better idea, or what do you guys think? Do you just want to tell her what our prices are, or?
You could send her a link, I guess it's gonna help.
Yeah.
Or you can show her right now, or you can demonstrate. I don't know, like something that will make her understand what each thing is, like in the pricing category.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna just send her. Monique, I'm gonna send this to you right now. Hang on, really, really quick. Okay, so I can't find that link, guys. Do you know where that link is from yesterday? The one that I used for to show.
Let me search.
Okay, thank you.
Is it the orange one or?
Yeah, the orange one. Yeah, the orange one.
Let me check.
Hey, Monique, can you see? You want to share your screen, Ash?
No, I still haven't found it. Let me just find it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it in Slack?
No, he's gonna show you right now. He's gonna show you on Zoom. He's gonna show you right now on Zoom real quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna send you the link as well. But and then it's gonna and then once that's done, we'll wrap this up. Oh yeah, just make sure to send your guys' roles, like what you guys do, like who you guys are, like what you guys do.
Yep.
So let's see. We really wish Max was in on this combo.
Yeah. Okay. Is he on in Slack? Let me see. Wait.
I don't know. Monique's busy today. She's going to some stuff. So after we're done with this, she probably.
No, my soft line.
I know he's been gone. I feel like he's been around like the last 2 days. I don't know what's up. Okay. Let's see. Website design calculator.
Can anyone find the link?
Yeah, tell
I
what
can't-
what link?
The orange calculator. Remember that? The orange one with the orange and gray thing?
The one from yesterday. Yes,
Okay.
Yeah, the one from yesterday.
Calculator. Connected design. I think this is it. Okay, I found it. Okay, ready? Can you see
You
me?
found it? Okay, cool.
Yeah,
cool.
okay, got it. Okay, here it is. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay, Monique, do you see this?
Yep.
Oh,
Yes.
this one. Yes.
All right. So this is estimated price to start. This is custom design. We're going to be having a high-end custom design. When do you guys say so?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Yes,
We're gonna
yes,
be adding.
correct.
We're gonna be. Are we adding in like a lot of animation?
Yeah.
A lot of
After we learn GSAP, super high in custom design.
exactly. So this is just at 14. So we can do how many custom design interior pages? What do you guys think? 5? I don't know. 5 pages. How many regular interior pages? What's that? I don't even know what this shit means. 5.
Interior. I think they're talking about the admin page, like
Oh, okay,
for
okay, okay.
admins to see. Maybe. I don't.
Okay. By the way, guys,
No,
yeah, logo.
Roshan. No, Roshan.
I
I
don't
think
know. Just tell me.
by custom design page they mean
Not
some
custom.
websites-
Interior.
Okay, guys.
page.
Guys, let's start.
Leave that.
okay,
Leave
guys.
that. Leave that.
Yes, please give me an amazing logo, which we can design logos very easily. You know what I mean? So there you go. $1,200 extra right there. So
Okay.
a simple slider. We'll do a fully animated slider. Would you like photo gallery? No, I don't want a photo gallery. But if I did, let's see, it would be a lot more expensive. How many pages you'd like us to purchase stock images for? Would be even better is if we even designed our own images or went out and took our own photo.
No, like stock, like
like Adobe stock.
a lady smiling at a man or something.
Like Adobe
random.
stock. Like Adobe stock, right?
Yeah.
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 So let's just skip that one to the next.
Ash, what's a fully animated slider?
Like
I
this.
think
Like this thing right here. It's a slider, right? Like that. Like if it was a slider.
Yeah, that's what even I think. Like, is it right? Like, I don't know.
but
Just
it's on the homepage, which is kind of weird.
Tyron, so copywriting,
okay.
so SEO
Yeah.
friendly copywriting. So Tyron does copywriting. I would do like I don't know. Let's do 3 pages. Okay.
number.
Website tracking. I think tracking is going to be very important. So both analytics and web.
It's a carousel.
Huh?
Okay, those. Okay. No.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay,
that's
got it.
part of SEO. Website tracking is part of SEO.
Social sharing,
Yes.
social media following. Let's do that. So then, yeah, we're looking. See, we're already
Yeah.
we're already at
$8,000.
yeah.
Okay.
See, this is in-person training. Look at all these different things. See, Monique?
Live chat, yeah. Live
Yes.
Google Calendar integration, event management system, $1,000, Google Map display. I mean, there's all kinds of things they can add, and that's just we're only at we just finally finished, so that's about $10,000, and that probably take us about what do you guys think about a week?
No more than
No,
that.
If-
Dave.
more
if
than a
you're
week
well
for all
organized-
that.
Like for the first client, I guess it's
For the
gonna be
first
like
3
2-3
projects, it's gonna
weeks.
take a lot of time.
Because we're having it at work.
Probably 2 to
Yeah, we
Yeah,
need
it'll
a
be-
proper workflow.
Okay, so
If it is
10,000.
really good, 100% within a week we can knock it out. If we
Yeah,
work like-
eventually,
Like if you are hustling and grinding, I think we can do it within like
yeah,
one
eventually,
and a half week or 2 weeks.
exactly.
Ah.
Eventually, we will get to that workflow where it's just where everyone just knows
Exactly.
everyone just knows their role. They just know what to do. Like boom, boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, and when it's a 9 to 5 job, it's gonna be even faster. So
Yeah, it'll be we'll get it down. Everything will be okay. That's why it's important we stick together as a team. So, all right, guys. Any other questions? So, Monique, what do you need from them again? Just to remind them.
I will send the form and I'll send the information in the main channel or whatever.
Okay.
And then, it'll go out and you guys will have the form and I'll put in there what I need. So
Wait, hold on real quick. How much a website? 2021. Another thing I saw was this one too. So here it goes. So it's about let's see 21. I would do on the average. How much we need? Do you guys have like any idea why she's on the phone with us? How much you guys are planning on? What do you guys think? Like as far as the payment, like how much you guys think it should be? Or oh, by the way, Monique, there's also going to be a monthly services too, maintenance, SEO, stuff like that. That we have to also pay
Right.
for.
which
So-
you guys need to figure out that part. You guys have to figure all of that out because again, I don't know that part.
Which we will figure that out.
So,
We will figure
But
that out.
once it's provided to me, I can put those as lines in an invoice so that when you guys can tell me what they're getting and I can just put that, title in,
Okay.
it'll spit out a total and then it can be sent to the client.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So we need to come up with that, guys. Okay, it's very important that we come up with a good pricing model. Okay.
Okay.
All right, cool. All right, guys. Any other questions? We good?
Yeah, I think we're good.
All right, awesome. Okay, Monique, thank you so much. You're very appreciated.
You're welcome.
All right,
Nice
thank
talking
you.
to
Thanks a
everybody.
lot, Monique. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot,
Have a
Monique.
nice day.
You're welcome.
Thanks a lot,
You too.
Monique. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. So,
Yeah, it was very good talking with Monique.
yeah, she's awesome. Monique's awesome.
Oh, she has a lot of experience.
Yeah,
I
dude.
swear,
Yeah.
you can get to know
She's
that
very
by-
experienced. Yeah.
You can listen to her wisdom like bestow
Yeah,
upon
she's-
us with her
yeah.
voice.
Ashish is flexing, dude.
She no, dude. She knows every. My dad's a doctor. He's a kind of a hotshot
Okay.
doctor in Hawaii. He recommended her to be. So he's obviously.
No wonder.
She's one of the best. She's one of the best. She knows everything when it comes like loop. She'll figure it out. You know what I mean? Whatever you need, that's who you're gonna go to. If you have any questions about law, if anything you guys are struggling with, do not ask me. I have
Hey,
no idea. Ask her.
Bro, Ashish
Yes,
just sent
Alex.
something on Slack group. Please, can you check it out, Alex?
So
Yeah,
guys,
how long-
Alex, as I was thinking about how long it takes to make a website, I realized it's gonna take more than what we think, because
Yeah.
just to make our homepage, it's taking like about a month just to not even
Hey,
design.
no. That's way freaking different. That's way different. That's way different.
Okay.
Absolutely
Okay.
different. Because one, it's
No, but
already.
could you read the link I sent on Slack and like read through like
No, I
the
saw
article?
that's
Because-
okay. Okay, that's one article first off. So send me
no,
multiple.
no, I sent you 2 articles from.
Okay, well, I don't doubt that
different
it's gonna take long.
websites.
I don't doubt it's gonna take. Do not doubt at all that it would take that long for a website. But then you're gonna have to charge more. Then that's just how it is. Like the longer it takes, the more you charge. I mean,
Okay, yeah, I'm just look, I'm learning as you are, so I'm not trying to like prove anyone who like prove someone's wrong or someone's right. So first off, and so websites like DreamHost, they're saying it's gonna take way too long too. I feel like we are overshooting our okay, let me send you this link. Okay, I think we are kind of neglecting the time process. I sent you a DreamHost website. Just check it out.
But I don't think we'll take around 14. We can cut 14.
Just
weeks actually.
check. Just check the links I sent you.
okay, but what's your point, Ash?
Just like my point is that we don't have to be super optimistic about our timelines and then get super weirded out when it takes more than what we thought it's going to be, because
We'll deal
that's
with that. We'll deal with that when that comes, though. You know what I mean? So what's
no.
what's wrong with
I'm
being optimistic?
my point is that let's not set super high expectations for the time. That's what I'm saying. Like,
Super
and
high-
then when it finally comes to the point for us to finish, you'll be like, oh my god, I thought it's going to take 2 weeks. Why is it taking 14 weeks?
You know what our
And you'll be
problem
like,
is? Our problem is we didn't have a time to in this. That's honestly our problem is we didn't have a deadline.
That's true. We didn't have a deadline.
We didn't
I
have a
completely agree
deadline.
with you,
We didn't have a
but-
deadline. Companies are going to know what they want more than what we know because, like, literally, they've been planning this probably for a long time. They're already going to know what they want. They're going to tell us what they want. They're not having to worry about having to be a web design company and having to show off the fact that they're a web design company. They want something to for their company. It's going to be
I
like,
agree with you, but all these articles, they're not from people who just started up. They're from people who have been doing this from a long time.
okay,
and
I get
they're-
that. It doesn't matter if it takes 6
Yeah.
years. What's your point, Ash?
My point is that let's not overshoot this. Let's know from now on, keep our expectations a little low on how long it's going to take.
He
and
just
then let's start
means
from
to
there.
say that let's have realistic deadlines.
Realistic
basically saying
deadlines.
that,
Let's not
yeah.
keep it 2 weeks.
Who said
Yeah,
we
let's
weren't going to
keep
have? Who said we weren't going to have realistic deadlines though?
I'm saying
he's
we
just
should have
saying.
realistic deadlines because I feel like we're not having realistic deadlines.
2 weeks.
I'm
2
not that
weeks?
anyone's saying it. I'm just feeling like that's what's happening.
You can go. You like
No.
and 2 weeks is very, very doable. And if we cannot knock out a website in 2 weeks, then we need to probably figure out a different career path.
No, I don't think 2 weeks is anywhere written on the internet. That's not the right way to see it. I'm pretty sure. I'm 100% sure that's not the right way to see it. That's what I'm saying. Like when someone said 2 weeks, I was like, really? I think it's gonna take like a month to make a
Then
proper
that means
website.
we're going to be broke. Then it's like you have to.
Yeah, so we need to plan accordingly, Alex. Like check out these
Milestone,
websites
that's
I'm
right.
sending you.
Milestone, that's what
milestones.
Alex, that's what Monique told about milestone payment rather than getting it like paying it for
milestone.
the entire project in milestone.
Fours, like in fours.
Yeah, yeah, in force. So
Okay,
basically,
I'm sending you
there'll
more
be
links.
rotation of money, or like We are not going to stay broke. I think Monique will have like a solid plan for
Yeah,
us.
and you know what? These links mean nothing because they don't know us. They're not our workflow. They don't know who we are. They don't know.
I think they know the typical graphic designer, the web developer. I don't think we should shove them down and under the carpet. I think they make sense. If you can take like a few minutes to
Okay,
read
I'm gonna
these
look.
links,
Let's see.
all of us together, just
Yeah,
check them
yeah,
out
sure.
so we kind of understand. Because see, Alex, I think
These right here though, Ash, are worth thousands and thousands and thousands. These are for big companies. Okay, this is worth thousands of dollars, more than 10 grand. Okay, these are worth about fucking $50,000 to $100,000. These websites.
I understand. See, look. I'm not trying to
I'm just
prove
saying-
you wrong. I'm not
No,
trying
no,
to
I
say
understand.
anyone's
I understand
wrong.
what you're saying, but I'm just saying.
I feel like I know you're trying to like defend something, but I'm just
Whoa,
trying to
listen,
explain.
but listen, there's a happy part to this because look, if it's a long time for us to build a website, it's more money. Like, is that you're worried about like the money versus?
I
the time?
understand.
As
No,
long as
no,
we're
no.
getting
I
paid-
just
as long as
feel
we're
like as we start out, we got to have like something realistic. Don't you agree, Alex?
as we okay, listen, but the longer the project takes, we're still getting paid. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it takes a year, we're still getting paid for that year.
Yeah, I agree with you, but
So why is the
I
time
don't
matter?
want
We're
us
still
to.
getting paid.
Time matters for our milestones and for us to not feel bad about ourselves if we don't finish it by that time, because it typically takes way longer.
Ash, this
So
is a
more than
competitive
us
field. Isn't that right?
feeling-
This is a very competitive field. Okay, you have to have a mindset that we are going to do these things because if not, we're going to fail.
We are like
Yeah,
we'll
yeah, we
reach
are
there,
gonna
but I'm saying
hustle,
as we start, we shouldn't say 2 weeks. That doesn't make sense. If you're going to design one main page, 2 weeks is enough.
Because
Yeah.
I feel
How about this?
one
How about
week
this? How about
will.
this? Why don't I buy a domain for us and we try to knock it out and see what we can do with that and really quick. Let's see how fast it can take us to knock out a site. And we need a practice site.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay,
but
yeah, that
Once when our website is actually
That's good.
completed.
But then when our website's completed, Addy,
good
I know,
idea.
but
Good idea, Alex.
yeah, that's a great idea.
we need
That's
to
a
bring
good
it
idea.
in. We need to bring it in like it's a real person. Okay, so for instance, Jackie, my friend that did that, that's easy. That's Wix. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna set it up to where we're gonna pretend like it's a real life situation where we have a company that
Mhm.
comes in. I'm gonna
Yeah.
get Monique to set it up. Monique's gonna pretend like she's a buyer. Okay,
Okay.
Mhm.
we're gonna do everything from consultation to from first to beginning, and it has to be treated seriously like it would be a real client.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that right there will give us a good idea about where we are. What do you guys think?
Yeah, that
Yeah,
is good.
agreed,
I
agreed.
like that.
And we can test our workflow too. We can
Exactly.
right.
Yeah, makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah, we can
make
practice.
adjustments to our
Create a
Exactly.
workflow.
Just
Yeah.
like
It's a
just
good
like a-
practice. Yeah.
Exactly,
Yes,
just like a
good
softball
practice.
player. And you're right, Ash, because they say that companies I would be worried if we were launched by now, guys. I would be really worried. I'd be like, hey, we're not taking this seriously. The fact that we take time into launching something means we're serious. So it might take a little bit more time before we launch, but so be it. So be it. You know, I mean, we need to make sure that we have this down. It's scary to think about our first client going into it, but if we already have like our workflow
That's
down,
true.
we've already
But if
practiced.
we nail our first client, we have a positive note from there on. So our first client is going to be very crucial.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, I think so too. But I think we should still do a practice thing. Don't you think, Adi?
Yeah, practice.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
that's-
have to do.
We have to do.
I think
it.
that's a good
Yeah,
idea
we'll
that
do-
came out
yeah,
of the
that's a good
discussion.
idea,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we need to finish
That's a
our
good
site
idea.
first though, guys. So let's get the because we cannot do two things at once. We need to finish our site first. So that way when our
Yeah, we'll
site's
finish
finished,
our site first.
this is why this is why it's crucial our site's finished. Because once our site's finished, then we can implement those tools as we would real clients.
Yeah.
Completely agree. Yeah, that's a great idea.
So we need to get the website. We need to get that done. Right now, our biggest thing is we cannot work around the fact that we need to find someone to help us with the animation on the website.
No, I
So
think
we have
these
to
people
do
are
it.
going
Alex-
to learn it, I thought.
I don't doubt that you
Alex?
can learn it, Ash. I do not doubt that you can learn it, but we need to worry about time in this situation as well too, because
Hmm.
Okay,
That
so
makes sense.
I have an idea. So right now the ball dropping is not that important if you think about it. Like, yeah, it is good, but let us launch our company without that, and as we
Okay.
learn, we can implement that. So
okay, are we gonna be
Yeah.
animation? What do you guys want to do though? I thought we were okay, but listen, it's already been proven by now that when you put animation on a website, that's a pretty big deal, correct?
Hmm.
yeah, that's great. So we already
Correct.
have a good enough. See,
What is
what
wrong
do you
with
think?
an
okay, like I'm okay with hiring someone for 6 hours to help us with the animation on the website if that means that it's gonna make us better.
Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Let's create the entire website first, and then at the end, when we have like a little bit more time to
No,
spare,
I don't agree with that. What do you guys
you
think
don't
about
or you
that?
do?
I don't agree. What do you guys think?
You
guys-
don't agree? Why
I don't.
you
We're
think
gonna
it
have
should
to
be shoved in the
implement it
middle?
now. We have to implement because listen, that's something we have to work around the animation in a way. Like we have to
No,
implement that now.
no. Here's the thing. The animation works around the finished website. That's what I'm saying from the
Yeah.
beginning.
Like,
Like
you
the
don't, okay,
bubble,
but you don't
the
think that how the
ball,
website's
ball.
set up though?
Let me
is gonna
finish.
Make a big difference. Like how the website's set up.
Sorry.
How the website is set up though is gonna make a big. Listen, I wanted a website with animation on it. I thought that's what we agreed on.
Okay.
Now all of a sudden we don't.
Yeah,
want
and we do have good animation so far. But what I'm trying to say is that after we're done with the content and the headings, that's when we bring in the animation at the end. So I'm trying to say, let's not waste time right now. let's finish everything, and we can also launch without the animation and implement it later with people outside.
Okay, we
Alright,
can
listen.
implement
But
the
do you
animation, but what
understand?
Ashish
Do
is
you
telling in
understand
the
my
end.
point, Alex? Do you understand
No,
my
I do
point?
not understand your point because
You
that's
don't understand my
that's-
point.
no, 'cause
Let me
that-
explain. Let me explain it. I think you don't understand my point. So I'm trying to say that the ball animation revolves around our content. So as long as we're done with the website, we can implement the ball animation, and we don't have to wait for that one problem to get solved. We might as well just launch it because we have cool animations already.
How
that
about this?
people
I'm
would have.
hiring somebody if you guys like it or not. So you guys can either decide that you guys are gonna like that or not. So
Wait,
I'm
wait,
gonna
wait. So
It's gonna happen.
if you're gonna hire,
No.
yeah, great. But how? Oh my God. Okay.
listen.
Okay,
It's not a big deal. This
You
is a
do
big-
whatever you want, Alex. Yeah,
So
sure.
listen, this is a good thing for us guys. This is a very good thing for us. This is why they can teach us as well. We need to learn this stuff too, Ash. It's like a personal teacher for you. Why do you not want that? Why do you feel like you're not good enough for that?
Do you want to launch later or sooner? I don't understand. Do you want to delay
We
it
will be
way
able to
more,
launch.
or you want to?
I want to launch. I don't care if it takes time to launch because I want us to launch when we're ready. I don't want to rush this. Like I don't want to rush it to where it's like, well, we just need to
Okay,
launch.
cool. Yeah, then hire anyone you want, but do it after we're done with the content of the webpage.
No,
Is that fine with you?
no. No,
Because the animation
Uh,
doesn't the content doesn't
Alex-
revolve around the animation. The animation revolves
Exactly.
around the content. So we cannot do the animation before we're done with the website.
we're
you
not even
understand
gonna get,
that?
we're not going to get clients though if we don't have a good enough stuff though. Do you understand that?
No, we will add the animation. He says it
we
that
will-
before releasing the end moment, we'll add the animations. Like
But why
that is
wait
like
though?
the last.
Give me one good reason why we should wait.
Because we need to have the
Because-
content.
That is the
Yeah,
process.
without the content, you cannot do the animation.
Okay,
You
but
understand
anything
that?
they kind of implement with each other. What if we wanted the animation to
No,
work
they
out?
don't. They don't.
Okay. I don't
That's
even,
like the process in designing, basically. That's what Ashish is telling. So
See,
basically, the animation is.
I have this thing in my head, but I don't know if you're understanding what I'm.
What I'm
I
gonna-
think I
okay.
get what Ashish
will-
is trying to
I will
say.
tell you what I think you're thinking and tell me if I'm wrong.
Okay,
I think
sure,
that-
sure.
I think that you're thinking that we just need to launch now as soon as possible so we can start doing other things and we just need to kind of push out all the other. cool
Okay,
stuff
keeping
that
the
we're-
launch aside, I'm trying to talk about the animation and the content in order. So what do you think? What do you understand about that so far?
That how's it changed? I thought we all agreed that we were gonna have the ball dropping and animation on the mobile. Now,
We all agree to it, Alex.
why is it changed now?
We agreed. Like
It's
No,
not-
no,
no one's-
nothing's changed. The thing is the process. There's a process in designing the animation. You can't make the animation before the content. That
Why don't
is
we
what
ask
Ashish
somebody
is-
who knows what they're doing first and see if they agree?
I know what I'm doing. So
No,
listen
I know
to me.
you
So
do.
I'm
I know, but
saying-
you don't do web. You don't
Let
do
me
web
finish. Let me
animation.
finish.
Ugh,
No. I understand the concept, and I'm saying in respect to that, Alex, and I hope you kind of open your mind to what I'm saying. You first have a heading in an animation, a content, and then the animation revolves around that.
All right, I guess this is the first time I've ever heard of this for some reason. All of a sudden, this
Guys,
is-
could someone explain? Could someone explain?
I've never heard of this before.
Alex, this
You
is
need-
the process of designing. Alex.
Roshan,
It's not-
Roshan, what do you think?
Yep. Like, can you show the animation? Get the animation.
Exactly.
I'll
Show
Okay,
that
okay.
and I'll explain it.
I'll
I
tell.
got
I'll,
exactly
I'll
what
fine.
you're trying to-
slowly. Just look at this. 1 minute.
See, there are web developers here, Alex. So look, this is what I'm saying. All right.
No. I
So-
just want leave that web developer thing. So just show it once.
CCS is what it's called.
Yeah. See, the ball drops into each header. Okay, Alex. So we need the headers. We have to find out where to place the headers, how it should be placed. Only then we can figure out like how much the ball has to move before it expands and stuff. So we'll have to know like where the headers
Okay,
are.
but you just
right?
told me. You just told me.
if
You,
you-
you said you wanted to launch without the animation, so now you want to launch
Uh,
with the animation.
No, I thought, see, I don't know, for some reason I had the idea that you wanted to do something like finish it fast or something.
No,
and start with the,
absolutely not.
with,
No.
okay, cool. So forget about the whole, without the launch part. Okay. Forget about that.
Okay.
I'm saying, look, can you see meet the team here?
Yes.
Meet the team. Imagine we didn't have meet the team. Okay. We didn't have that.
Well, yeah, that's a
because we didn't
no-brainer. That's a
wait,
no-
wait, because
Yeah.
exactly. So we didn't design that. And so how do we know the ball's supposed to
I
go
thought we
there?
had the content though. I'm so confused.
Okay.
Yeah,
we
but
ha-
who knows if you
even
have to
we ha-
change it?
So
Or,
now
like,
we're
we
gonna
have to
change it.
move
Okay,
things
I don't know. I
around.
don't know this stuff, guys. I didn't know that now we need to change the content. I thought the content was complete.
No,
Okay.
it isn't. Yeah. Okay.
Ask
Now
Tar-
it's
Taran.
started.
Now you
Is it
get it.
started?
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, well,
Alex,
then we
I
need a
think
list then.
we got
Okay, then
it.
we need a
Finally
list
get it.
then. We need a list then of stuff that's complete and not complete then, okay? That's what we need to
Okay,
do. It's
yeah,
very
fine.
simple list.
Content
That's
is
true.
complete, I think. Just the layouting is not complete, right?
Yeah, we'll have to place it out, right, Alex? We have
Yeah.
it everything in a
Okay,
Word
that would take
format,
a
okay?
day. How long should it take to place content?
That depends on how many pages we are doing and how the pages should look. So
And
I think
Tarun,
we-
I don't know. The animations for the front
Yeah.
page, the homepage. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
home
Tarun,
base, yeah.
Yeah.
are we putting ball dropping animation with the lorry animation?
No,
That's
like
gonna
it
be
will be
so
too much,
cluttered,
bro.
bro.
So what
Okay,
I
so
was thinking is
where are we putting the ball animation? Are we putting it
only
in the mobile?
mobile
Only-
view. Yes, only in
Only in the
mobile view.
mobile view.
Only mobile.
Okay,
Yes.
so okay, cool. Get it.
So
So what are we doing?
I don't know.
What do you
Yet
think,
we-
Roshan?
I need
Yes,
nothing.
we'll do it. As soon
Alex,
as the
did you get
design
it?
done, yeah, as soon as the design
you
is
get what I
done,
was saying?
everything is done. We are not launching after until unless the animation is done. Everyone, please.
Yeah, done. Okay, I
Done,
agree with
done.
that.
That's it.
That's it.
That's
That's
fine
it.
then.
Yes,
What are we-
That's it.
even I
what-
agree.
What am I getting all worked up over then? Because that's what I thought. Well, then what's the?
Huh?
Yeah,
I have no idea.
like I don't know. I mean, I don't know. You said I thought I could have sworn that someone said that we were gonna launch without it and then worry about it later. But I mean, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know.
No, he meant
No, 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 no.
like
I said that. I
like-
said that.
Yeah, he
But-
said that, but he didn't mean it like that. He meant like in case you want to launch it up so that you
La-
can
yeah.
get incoming
It was in
clients.
your interest. I didn't know.
that's
I,
what-
It was my mistake.
Nothing.
We not I.
Alex, my bad.
No, it's fine.
You
No, it's
just
fine. Listen,
told
I
it by
just
mistake,
think,
so-
I just think that we need to make a list so I can know what the fuck's going on.
Okay,
I have no
okay,
idea.
okay.
I have no idea. I
Agreed.
need to learn this shit. I need to learn this
Agreed.
shit.
All right,
How do we make a?
let's make a list.
Yeah, someone. We can do this later. We can take a break, guys. I have a headache. I have a
Okay,
headache.
okay, okay.
It's
You guys can
7:30,
continue. You guys can
yeah.
continue if you want, but I need a break.
Okay, okay.
My
Sure,
dog
no
needs to go
problem,
to-
no problem.
My dog needs to go to the bathroom, and I'm just like I'm switching
Okay.
my meds right now. I'm getting off my meds, so it's a big long thing, but everything's cool, guys. You know what? Whatever you guys want to do, I'm always down. I'm gonna always challenge you guys, though. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, it's really your guys' choice. So I'm gonna go through what you guys want to, but I'm still gonna challenge and ask you questions. So
Yeah.
you guys
Like,
feel
we
like
are
that?
going.
Please.
We are going for majority.
Huh?
Yeah, we are going for majority. Like who's like majority wins. So like that.
Exactly. Well, not
That's
only
Yeah.
that, but not only that, well, I respect your guys' opinion. I don't want you to think it's just majority wins.
Yeah. But please, like Alex, please give us time to explain. Like we will explain. We'll make you understand. We'll try our best to make you understand. But like,
Okay,
that
I need an
time,
organization thing. I need something
Okay.
I can look at it,
Yes.
please.
Yes.
All right.
Let's put something up here that where we can have like a board of like, okay, like a checklist of what's done, what's not done, what we need.
Sure.
Something like that. Okay, guys. Okay, I love all of you guys. I will see you guys later.
Take
Okay.
care.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Take
bye-bye.
care, Alex. Bye, Alex.
Bye,
I'm
Alex.
gonna assign this to Ashish. Okay.